Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Large upon yourself. Again, good evening, people. Good evening, people. Good evening. Do remember that all the shows I do over here, they're posted over TikTok, the full shows over TikTok. Over YouTube at the channel TamFam TV. TamFam TV. Right, TamFam TV. But again, people over YouTube, you would be seeing this now, but you did not hear the little 1 hour party we're going a while ago because the song them can't play over YouTube. We met about 1 hour, 1 hour and 20 minutes. All right, and do remember, subscribers, big up on yourself and thing. We have a subscriber only live this Friday. Full show. Subscriber only live this Friday. Full show scene. So we're going to take calls and play out of the recordings. I think the last one was, yeah. The last subscriber only live was crazy. But you can only hear it if you're a subscriber. I keep it 100 with you. And that support the channel, make me there and come here every day and can do the regular show what all I want to get, you know. Again, the last subscriber live we will have. All right. To all, you see them people where you see that thing there after them name, like the Diamond, them and the Raga after them name, they are subscribers. All right. Subscribers who did in at the live. Was the last subscriber live? Was it crazy? How was it? One of those posts, how was it? I could see in the chat, because sometimes people, them need to know. How was it? How was the last mad off the hook? Tiffany, you know, so I watch you for more day. You quietly just squeeze in some little touchy something, you know. I keep my eye on you, you know, Tiffany. I go on like, I know you understand the thing and I support the thing, you know, but I notice, you know, when I tell you, I say, oh, that the thing just also, we just pay for what, listen how much years, I watch you, you know, Tiffany. I watch you if you're continuously negative, and I see you post something again, I keep my eye on you, Tiffany. I watch you if I be, Tiffany say, my bad, right? Yeah, I have my eye on you, Tiffany. I have my eye on you. Now watch you. You take time, I creep in them look something. Don't make me call somebody down at St. Thomas and St. Mary, make them give you big foot, Tiffany. Right? Don't make me call somebody down at St. Thomas or St. Mary. I make them send some guzum on you, like electronically, modern times now, you know. So the things them can send, you know. Like through WhatsApp and all them something there, you know. Don't play with me. All right, Tiffany, don't play with me. We will say, now watch you, you know, Tiffany. But Tiffany, no work. Tiffany is a size 11. That's funny. Don't worry yourself, Tiffany. Things build. Just be patient, you know. If it's one thing you should find obvious about me now, I'm not a rush thing, you know. Yeah. Yeah, me ain't in a rush thing. Every time I try to do a quick eat, do my workout quick. Yeah. We build things, Tiffany. Anything you see, Raga. Hey, if you say I'm lucky, I'm not lucky. We just know if we work hard and we enjoy what we do and we know if we build with things, right? And what people, I what them there in Jamaica when after Raga thing bust, everybody I say, re. I what them there when we just start in a radio and in Jamaica when holiday come, everybody gone home. On the radio station them. And I remember when Raga said, all right, if everybody got gone home, I do 24-hour Ragashanti live on the station them. I what them there when I do that? And I remember them days, right through, right? Me just all straighten up myself and thing and come in early. And Ragashanti live, because the other people them gone. And when the people them see how my thing a shot because I do them something there and people know about me and whatever. Some of the other announcers them start to work on holiday too. I want them there when me work on Christmas. I want them on New Year's Day. Me work 24 hours on radio station. New Start 93 FM. Boxing Day, me go Christmas and Boxing Day back to back. And then left and go host thing. And them thing. I want them there when we appear with Jews and I build up a thing. We just know if we build the thing. Yeah. You must think it comes so. We work for that. You think I have things to do. I come at 6 o'clock every evening and I get disciplined about it. Remember, you know, that's a key ingredient in, you know, Mike Tyson say it, you know. Mike Tyson said the hardest thing in success is discipline. Discipline. And you can define discipline in so many ways. But one of the most relevant and easily accessible, easily comprehended way to define discipline is to get up and do what you need to do when you don't feel like doing it. That is discipline. If you have a work and a thing and a process where you have to do towards an objective, remember, you know, another key ingredient in success is preparation. The team where you say win the Super Bowl and win the big championship, they won those championships in the off season during them training and during training. Mike Tyson said that too. Preparation. That is important. But in preparation, you have to have discipline. When you turn up for train and rehearse and you don't feel like it, you have to get up to 5 o'clock, you have to stay, you have to put in the extra. Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan was two of the greatest players in a basketball. When you hear them backstory, when them man they turn big star, them man they turn up same way and a train by themselves and a work on them game non-stop. You think by accident them thing they happen. No, that is discipline. Them a big star, you know, things them could have out there grind, them could have out there party, them could have out there this and that. That is discipline. Yeah. Mr. Celine Dion in our interview and thing and whatever. And Celine said she have to be careful so she not get sick. So she can't do certain things and whatever, because she said when she gets sick, that impact her vocal cords. I discipline that, you know. She said, no, you have to make sure, I get the right amount of sleep, because if I don't get the right amount of sleep, it's going to impact my vocal cords. She said she have to go like some classes to learn how to cough properly. Celine Dion said this, you know. And the man said, cough properly. She said, yeah. She said, good singers, you have to know how to cough properly, because if you don't cough properly, and you just a cough, you're regular, so you're damaging your vocal cords. And she said, there's a way to cough, that you have to cough that way all the time. She said, even if you're clearing your throat, there's a way to do it so that it doesn't incrementally, in small amounts, damage the vocal cords. That is discipline. So when you hear Celine up on the stage and she sing good, that is just the result. Like Mike Tyson said, no, the fight is the easy part. He said the hard part where him hate is the training, the rehearsal, the practice, the preparation. Because in that part, you have to have discipline. And discipline means you continuously and repetitively over and over and over again do the thing where you're supposed to do, particularly when you don't feel like doing it. That is what is going to make the difference in your performance and your ability to differentiate your product, what you produce, what you put out there from everybody else. You see, when me turn up here, so I have the discipline for turn up here at 6 o'clock at evening time, after a while, I'm going to get used to it. I want to just come, and not for wait for notification. Sexy Rush, Raga, I can sing for you. I would love to hear that. Right? But it's the discipline. And eventually, once you apply that, after a while, things start happening that you had no way of anticipating. interesting calls come about, interesting characters come in the family, and a community evolves. But it's not by accident. It's the application. It's a disciplined application of just turning up and doing what you're supposed to do, all when you don't feel like doing it. So, okay, we took a moment there, and one night, you must have a call in and sing. No, I do that all the time. You probably don't know, but we do that all the time. Yeah. You know, we have one topic where we always do, name sing a song for your ex, sing any song for your ex. Sing a song for your ex, whether or not you miss them or you not like them or whatever, and that always turn up. In fact, I could do that tonight, no? Yeah, let's do it. Miss Lee, love you so much, Rag. I love you too, darling. Big up yourself. All right, okay. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, we have Secret Admirer mix up or sing a song for your ex. Tune for your ex, that's what we used to call it. Tune for ex. Sing a song for your ex. Any song you know accurately explains how you feel about your ex or a ex. Just call in and sing that song. They send up on a request right now and think, let's go. Let's have a nice little show tonight. We're not having Sub Live tonight. We're having it on Friday. Full show. So subscribers on the No. Listen, call in with a mix up. Any mix up on the app. That is standard in the show. Any mix up on the app, I don't want calling with it. Calling. Not care which topic we do or whatever, just calling with any mix up on the app. In particular, this thing I want to start with work, you know, like back in the day mix up or when we did young mix up, you know, right? You can call in with them mix up there, right? Back in the day mix up or when we did young mix up, because I want to start it, but it's shot, you know, kind of mix up the pepper, you know, we get some proper 5 pepper mix up with them man. See, so you can call in with any mix up, but I say at the same time too, when you call in, if you don't want to sing a tune for an ex, any song where you think applicable, and people, you don't have to, it's not about being a real good singer here, no. All right? It's just enjoy yourself. Just relax and, you know, and enjoy yourself. That's the name of the game here, okay? All right? So, send up on a request. Now I'm looking at the request box. Let me see if anybody did it. And thing, right? Send up on a request them now, all right? The box is open. Let's go. Hello? Hello?
Nope.
Yes?
Nope, brother.
Yeah. Yeah?
I can't sing at all.
You can't sing?
No, sir.
No, but did you send a request to tell me that you can't sing?
No. I didn't send a request anyway.
Well, you did. That's why you're on, but you weren't aware that you did, correct?
Yeah, maybe.
No, what do you mean maybe? Spoken like a true woman. You sent a request, but you weren't aware that you sent it, correct?
No, yes.
Yes. All right then. So I'm going to take you down, all right?
Yes, sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It happens. Okay. Yo, that's a classic answer from a woman, you know. Ambiguity. I am not committing on either side. Maybe. Hey, woman, not easy when it comes to that, you know. You know, babes, you poop? Maybe. God. Think it easy. Okay, here we go.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Good evening, Raga.
What's up?
From what the area beat the woman them. This a slap me in my head, so. This a slap me left, right, and center.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Raga, Virgo man, them know better neither.
What you know about Virgo, man?
Virgo man, them when they give things, they take it back. And them a mama man.
Mama man, how?
Them a read, they read Tory.
Then read Tory?
Yes.
What you mean by that?
They, Raga, they love, they read woman. They tell woman them anything with about them.
Oh, oh, you mean them setting them up, them out light. So them,
Yes.
yeah, okay.
Yes.
So if a Virgo man go for argue with him, I go tell you something, don't?
Yes.
Okay. So and that make them a mama man.
Yes.
And you say when they give things, them take it back, don't?
Dig it back out the yard, and if you have in the yard, then dig it back out.
Then dig it back out. Jesus, man, that you go through with one Virgo man?
Yes, Raga.
Wait, like give me an example of something where the Virgo man give and take it back.
He give me one money one day, Raga, and me and him catch up. And the same time he give me money and take it back.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And I when him did accuse you for him take back the money.
So me I give him one.
So when you and him did catch up, boy?
Me and him go a road and see one man, he might call to me, man. No call me by my name, just call me name Slimmers. And he say I'm a man.
Well, and the man called to you and call you Slimmers?
Yes.
Okay, so when the man called you Slimmers, what you did do?
Me I'm go tell him hi, that's all.
You tell the man hi.
Yeah, me just say, oh it to him, because me don't know him. So me just answer him back.
So you walk with your man and a man who admire you and a call to you, whatever, and thing and a flirt.
That guy need to admire me.
So why the man who called to you as Slimmers, you tell me say the man never did that kind of, you know, because you obviously...
I first me see him, Raga.
Yeah, we get that, right? So the first you see him. So the man see you and probably say you look good and say something in admiration to you, like Slimmers, what go on, or something like so, right? No, so.
Yes.
And you answer him.
Yes.
And when you answer him, say,
Me just answer him, hi.
when you walk with your man,
Yes, I'm not supposed to answer people back whenever I'm walking with man or not. Seriously.
whenever you're walking with man or not, right? That you say?
Yeah.
I would like to suggest to you that it depends on how you answer. But if you go out with your man, in general, if a man a call to you, and we know why man call to woman in that. Come on now, we know why, okay? But if your man there beside you, generally it's a good idea. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do. You're your own big woman. I'm just saying generally, it's a good idea not to invoke any insecurity in your man by responding to that man who is showing you attention, okay? Generally. But if you're out on the road and a man say hi to you and say you look good or whatever, there's nothing wrong for you. Say thank you, you know, and things like that, you know? And if say you're there with a man and him ear say, you know, a man say something nice to you and you say thank you and you keep it moving and then him get insecure about that. Well, that man they need for, you know, calm down and relax himself. But if you and your man go out, right? If you and your man go out and a man a call to you or whatever, again, you know, you do what you want to do. I'm just suggesting to you that generally, in order to avoid any little, you know, insecurity and, you know, discomfort and them something there, and a man a call to you, you just draw closer to your man. He might go feel nice and feel secure about that and say, oh, when all man a call to her, me and her walk, you know, she don't even look on the man, she just come closer to me and he might go rate you for that, you know? Generally, you know? I just tell her, but it's still up to you what you want to do, yeah? So, well, okay. at that time, him take back your money from you?
Yes.
Because he might, you sure you never say something? What you said to him after that? After?
I ask him how him fi be my man and me no know him.
Well, if I that him go with then you know You're right. If you don't know the man and the man just a call to you, even if you answer him and thing, but him take it say, I am man that and thing like that, then if I just that alone, then it sound like him insecure for you. And that's another reason for him take back money from you.
You take it back though.
All right. Well, yeah. Well, it sounds to me that we had a bad experience with a Virgo man, and if I saw, I saw.
Very bad one too.
All right then. Okay. The rooster there in our background. Because how for rooster there?
Neighbor.
How what time now at Jamaica now?
After 6.
That is an active rooster them time of night. I make him a ball out so.
Me don't know.
Hear him.
Maybe you know go on roof set.
Maybe him know what?
Go on roof set.
But a morning time them always ball out so make him just a lasso.
Them ball 6 o'clock after 6 anyway. In the evening.
In the evening? How what you said to me? I teach me, I know, you know. Me never know so then go on in time of night, man.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But I wish by Jamaica you call from now.
In a Chilan.
I make you laugh, so.
Because we know you did ask that the question there.
No, but me usually ask people anyway, particularly if I'm from Jamaica, because I like to know them because something there, you know.
In a Chilani, Laga, in a Chilani.
No, man, me get some, back in the day, me get some good mix up from Donkey Lane of a Chilani, you know. I'm if I tell you.
Me remember those days to Raga.
Remember them days. All right.
Remember one man calling and said to you, so right now, in tongue stiff and in neck tired. His name is Tongue God.
Oh, I know that you remember, though.
Yes.
Yeah, I think, yeah, you're right. I think I remember a caller like that, you know. Well, you say him tongue stiff and him neck tired. But that come in like nothing now, because I'm sure you meet man now, you have met man who we have stiff tongue and them neck very fit, no?
Yes.
Yeah, don't. And them bad pan them thing, don't.
Bad
So that yeah, and that are nothing right now. Stiff tongue is a dime a dozen. A regular thing that out there, the man them with the stiff tongue and the active neck, don't. All right, now worry yourself. And when them man they put it on pan you, it feel good, don't.
Hey, make you feel nice.
Make you feel what?
Nice.
Nice and thing, Jesus.
One crawl on the wall.
One
grabbing it.
No.
One grabbing it too.
No, I heard that anytime the woman grab the head or hold the head and whatever, that is a good sign. Say, I was sweet you. I was sweet you, sir. Eh? You know, say you beat yourself. Me hear you lick your body now, you know. I remember though. Jesus. I want to make you laughy. Memories don't live like people do. I remember this something, you know. Yes, man, me hear say anytime them I go on with them thing and the woman just put down her and anytime she hold her head there and I press down the head or roll the head or whatever, you say, man, I go on good down. Yeah, man. Yeah, right there. So the head holding swipe them and them swipe they good, you know. Head holding swipe. Enough man a swipe and the woman never yet hold him head there and just up over her head and whatever. I'm not going with nothing. He not going with nothing.
Not sure.
Yeah, man, not sure. But it's all right. Big up yourself here.
All right.
All right, my Chilani girl. My Chilani Leo girl. Big up yourself here.
Big up.
Man, cool. Aye, boy. You know, people, I research these things extensively, and I was informed that usually when the man's head is held and pressed down and whatever, that is generally an indication that his oral accomplishments are exemplary. Good evening. Hello. I go and bring in this crosses, you know.
Oh, go on, my uncle.
Move your blood and go. People, at the general, this way beat me yesterday. Raga, you slow down. You slow down. You're not good again. Let me see a while. Like, you never watch a drunk. No, man, they you know say people get beaten all the while over here. You know, but no, but just, the reason why I do that talk about it at a different serious level, man. No, honestly, you know, I mean, I don't know how old he is or whatever, but damn, I know a DJ.
Well, let me say something first.
Yeah.
All right. Nobody feel like say, I don't understand where I say, you know, but
Yeah.
here what make me do that laugh.
Yeah.
So, when you don't talk about the story, you know,
Yeah.
and then you jump on a different topic, and then you jump up on the story, so me I say, no, man, it hurt him, man.
No, man, we do that all the while, man. Me I talk about something, I'm going to switch to something else like in the chat, and then I go back to where me I talk. Nah, man, I regular me do that, man.
So,
I regular me
that's
do
why
that.
me did that laugh, man.
Oh, nothing wrong. Everybody get beaten around here, and me get beaten too, so, and whatever. It have to be something like, you know, sometimes some people cross the line with children or whatever, you know,
Right.
then you say, But me get beaten, people beat me all the way, big nose, big head ragga, pop down ragga, this and that and whatever. I want to tell you, enough beating the TamFam them give me, you know. I want to tell you, man. One time I go one party, we know a party, I'm going to make my long time tailor, one man named Adi, I'm going to build clothes, man, I'm going to build the clothes too big. Them beat me, I say months and months after and thing, and them beat me. Raga, you know, wear your sheet again. And then batter me and I say, wanna let it go now? No, we not let it go, whatever. You have to take your beating. Yes, so we have a rule around here. A thick skin and broad back I do it. So everybody are gonna get beaten, and me get beaten too. You understand? That's how it go, man. But I'm gonna ask you up front though. First of all, you know, if I tell you exact age, you're in your 30s, 20s, 40s, you're in your 30s. No, man, you're still in your prime, man. You're still in your prime, you know. When you reach in your 50s, you can understand what we are saying and things and whatever. Yeah. You can't stay there. You slow down. No, man, no, well, let's see it, you know.
And your reaction to it, you know.
Eh?
And your reaction to it, man, make me do that laugh, man.
What was the reaction when you mean?
Like you're surprised, like I said, Jesus Christ, no.
No, you know. No, I'm not the first, you know. I don't know if you're used to me, you know, but you have something about me, you know. You see, when you reach certain part, you reach certain age and all them things, if you approach it the right way. But how much money you openly come out and say the things that me say? Man, not do them something there, you know. Man, not do them something there.
Not much.
These like them afraid and thing and whatever. And it's a big issue, you know, because me I tell you right, you know, me have male friends. Me I feel kind of toe the line for say, no, you talk to them like them a boy, but just the amount of things them with the man them a take, my lad.
You know? I know that.
You know that, don't?
Yeah, because me have friends who do it. Me have friends who do it.
You know what shocked me? You know what shocked me right now when me can't understand? You them in them 20s, them a take Viagra regularly now, you know, and things and whatever. What them a do with Viagra in them 20s?
Me know you to 21. 21. We have take them.
Yo, that no good for them. It in the short term, them me, you know, so and so, but me I tell you in the long term, it's not a good thing, yo.
Yeah, me know that. But me no trouble. One time I tried the honey pack thing and that
The what?
had hot me on.
The what?
Honey pack.
Wait,
You know that one there?
No, sir, what that?
They sell a gas station too, man.
Them sell a gas station too.
Yeah, man. But that make no sense. That don't do nothing for me. That
Wait, name honey pack?
Mm-hmm. It's a regular thing, man. They are Jamaica now too.
How will you not say?
Mm-hmm.
Well, me not gonna lie, you know.
The health ministry the other day did a warn against them though.
Yo, if you're going at the gas station them here, I don't know about Jamaica, you know, but you're going at the gas station them here or the corner store and you look back with them there, the wall them full of them.
Right.
And the reason why the wall full is because them sell.
Right.
So the man them a buy them.
Mm-hmm.
I suppose me tell you say enough man are dead from them something there and it not even a go out there for say that kill them. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Because
One and two.
side effect, the long-term effect.
Because one of the things when me hear say do, obviously has something we have to do with blood flow. So it raises your blood pressure. It raises your blood pressure. So one of the things what them say is that it make them heart beat fast. Why you go take something that make your heart beat fast? You know, that don't make no sense to me. I mean, I be hypocrite. Me not be hypocrite. People, me take boom back in the day, must 2 or 3 times, right? Boom is a muscle relaxant to make you tan long. And one time I did use stone. And it burned me up. It burned me up. I mean, I use it again. And it burned up a woman too. And she said, you use something? I said, no, man, I don't use that. She said, it burned me, man. I said, I don't know how I burn you. Whatever this time. That time I well, I know. I mean, I use it again after that. Outside of that, here's my logic with this thing, you know. Most of them something that where the man them a take, you know. I want foreign language, you know. Yeah, wait till like him get cut off. Right? People, you have a popular DJ. Popular DJ. Him live pan them, you know, man. Him did a live pan them, you know. And one time, I remember me I talk to him and he must say, oh, Raga, it look like them now make a thing them like how them used to make them before, you know. So I say, because he call them body pill. Him say, nah, make a body pill them like them usually make before. I say, what you mean? And he must say, nah, man, they nah work again, man. They nah work, make them good again. I never said, dog, I know the pill them nah work, you know. Are your body adapt to the pill them and thing and whatever. And them not have no more impact on you because you live on it. And he must say, nah, man, them nah make it thing them good and one. Couldn't tell him nothing. You understand? Ladies, help the man them, yeah, man. In particular, the older man them. Again, I don't know what going with them young youth who are taking, the youth them who are take the Viagra and the Cialis and thing, the little boy and them and thing. I honestly don't know what going on this. I have some theories about it in terms of diet, right? But things that have a big thing to do with it. The type of food where people are eat and what in the food them and what them are putting in the animal them and even dry food. Even dry food, right? On a see the difference, you get a Doritos in America and a Doritos in Europe. People, check it, don't follow me. What in the Doritos America, you know? I know the same thing in the Doritos in Europe, you know. Europe, them have laws where them can't put certain things them in the Doritos, you know, but America don't have the same law, you know. And the things that when them put in it in America is to make it more addictive. So the American one, same Doritos, you know, you would have looked on the 2 same box and it's the same thing with a whole bunch of the dry food, something like that, right? But the American one, them is just terrible and awful. So if you have a steady diet of that's going to mash you up. It's going to mash up your mind, your skin, your this, your heart. Not to mention your liver and your kidney, because of them 2 organs, they deal with them something there, you know. Right? But I get in it, one day I have to talk to you about insulin resistance, but when I see that all over social media now, right? And that's how the pancreas come in. Right? So you find, say you have an increase in pancreatic cancer, right? You have people with serious fatty liver and things like that and whatever from them food and whatever. And of course, them not good for body function either. You understand? So I feel say, same thing with the woman them and the you know, endometriosis and where the other sitting there were explode at Jamaica where when we grew up we never hear so much woman have it. And, you know, we live to see so many women catch that something there. Picos, where the other one, somebody I go put it there, man. The common one, they were beat enough women in Jamaica with fibroid, with the whole heap of blood and all them something. And Picos too, right? People may not fight against somebody, you know, but make anybody my age tell you, when we are grew up in our teens and 20s, we never have so much woman with fibroids in our time. It wasn't there. Them are going to say for true. Them are going to say for true in the chat. 1,300 odd people there. Them are going to say for true. When we are grew up, so much woman never have fibroids. Fibroids never it was nowhere near close to what it is now. And this fibroids thing come up and it's just really bad. There's so many women with fibroids issue, right? And it kill off people. Elva, I remember comedian Elva, my friend Elva, our friend comedian Elva. And that take out Elva, you know. That help take out Elva, you know. Right? We never have that problem them are telling the people. We never have that problem there. When we are grew up, man never have, you know, yeah, when you get older, you think just not up like that, you know. But when we are grew up, a common thing for man in them 50s, 60s, 70s, still a lay scratches left, right, and center. Common thing, regular thing that, and whatever. But me just feel it have to do with the diet. Because even right now, you look on the man them who still wassy. 9 times out of 10 are some man who live a country and always active, you know, physically active, but I eat that same organic food, something there, and now eat, you know, the whole heap of fast food and thing and whatever. But we used to for a long time. And them man, they still healthy. That's why I'm telling you, you know, Rasta them I tell you something them for a long time, you know. And they never follow them down. See, no phone I do it now. And I pay extra for it. I pay extra for organic, natural food. Look for when the Rasta are telling you. Anyway, I'm just saying, careful to the man them out there. Just careful of the pill them there. Short-term gains can lead to bigger long-term consequences. Small short-term gains repetitively lead to long-term permanent consequences, and it's something for you to think about. And ladies, you know, to be more supportive for the man them when them in that position, you know, because a lot of it is mental for man, you know. Once them go through like a little bad experience and a woman say something bad to them, it's hard for some of them bounce back from that, you know. Them head gone, them head chip, you know, and things. You see what I say? All right. Hold on. When me see her coming, you know why me I laugh. You don't have to tell nobody, don't.
No, I don't laugh. I don't laugh. Raga.
Let me see her why. No, let me see her coming. You know, I say she don't know why me I laugh. And me and you know why me I laugh. Right?
If you put them on the stone, you.
No, man, don't worry yourself, man. That's enough for public consumption. I got you. Well, go and talk to me. Yeah.
What you say? There's something burn up the woman, the stone.
The stone, yeah. Are you?
You have me thinking.
Wow.
As man come so.
Yeah, well.
As man come so, me I call my ex and ask him.
You gotta ask him.
Josh, if you're on here, a man may call you.
What, you did go through something like that?
Raga, one time I think one time in my bad days, man, when I was a young girl, me used to talk to this man.
Yeah.
And me specifically remember one time, we just a bun. And I say, oh, tear it up, Raga.
Right.
But no, you gonna say that, no, you make me wonder.
Yeah, and it's a stinging burn. It's a stinging burn.
Yeah. No, me wonder. If I got the
man. Yeah, man, stone Because you know that European woman is just super sensitive and soluble.
Yes.
And the stone now, what happening, you know, a little bit if you use, you know. If you just put the water upon the stone, rub it a little bit, and if you just tip it upon the...
literal stone? Is that literal?
Yeah, it's a literal stone. It's a black stone.
Oh, the box.
Yeah. And if you put little water upon the tip and just rub your finger upon it, right? And then just rub it upon the tip of the instrument, of the rifle. And then if you wash off your hand, if you wash off your finger, and if you wash it after it's soaking, because I numb it, you know. That's all it do, it numb it. But then if you wash it off after, you know. But some man, them don't put it on quick enough, and them usually end up a put it on almost like minutes before them go start or whatever and thing like that or whatever.
As morning comes, I make a little tip boy.
Yeah.
You know, same problem with the one with the wife. As morning comes, so make a
no man, enough woman get born with it and I know say it about them and them things so them get one cut or something or whatever. That the time but the man then them put on too much or them not wash it off and then it end up a bun up.
Well, the big man, you know, some believe that him do for trouble.
Well, see my brethren Franklin by grave say, Raga, you're gone too far now, Raga. You must say me I tell him something. Well, see, imagine I chat, so me get it already. yeah. God, the people don't know that. But that's the only thing we burn, you know, stone.
Anyway, Raga, let me tell you, me look a mix up, you know, situation. So let me open tell you.
Yeah.
So, what is the dirty X we did I give me bun from the last time?
Yeah.
So me did start giving bun Raga.
Yeah.
And we did like half this guy. But many guy did a friend at first, you know, Raga. Yeah. My man did I tell me say how me I give him bun with the man. Because me always a part with him. Right?
Yeah.
But you know say guy like me like him, but we never cross the boundary there. So me find out me I get bun Raga, I'm sorry. Cartel did I perform and I run away babe. Long time this. And I say I want to go. So my brethren say, oh, you want to come? You can ask a man. Tell him to come because he knows my man a big Cartel fan. So make it well we go. Yeah, because that group of we are going.
Well,
remember saying,
so the Bonner man in our group?
No, he wasn't the Bonner man yet.
Oh, okay.
He was not the Bonner man yet. So me I say, alright, we're going to invite him, whatever. But me, when me did I get born, and me like, other guy. So I said, alright. Go, Raga, but I have one little impy skimpy baby fat black. I will remember black and gold baby fat dress. Well, put out the door, altar back, tie around neck type of some skimpy.
Sure.
Like a go the night. No one heels. Yeah. We drunk off the man, Raga, long and Shaka, you know me can't talk long.
Yeah.
Drunk off for my man, and me did a drunk. Well, I'm not really drunk, I'm tipsy. I listen to the Cartel perform and whatever, they have a VIP at the club. Yeah. And one thing lead to the next. Me reach outside, Raga, me and the so-called friend that eventually turned Bonner man. Yeah. Reach outside, Raga, do the things, them flood out, wash out. My man drop asleep in the club, Raga. Between the weed and the liquor kind, can't drink. Drop asleep. And I was dear.
And you outside.
Washing away the parking lot, Raga. Washing away the parking lot. When I tell you I am not exaggerating. Yeah, bun for bun.
No, but you see, here's the thing now. I know say you have a go, but here's the thing now. That's why I'm telling you, anytime you hear a man, I say, oh man can't give me one, I don't know, I must know. I laugh off of them, you know. I laugh off of them. Because if somebody go to him now and say, you know, say, woman about it, when? Very, the first thing I say, you see how you're wicked, you know, say me and I go out the night there. She never born me and thing, but another night there you hand it to him, don't.
You know, you must say,
yeah.
I get born left, right, and center.
So, right.
I have a nice tool, you know, that's one of the reasons why I'm in left. And I walk downstairs, my friend just called me, and we go downstairs. And my man, they want to dance with him, I don't want to dance into drunk. Just I say, first of all, he was the one that was saying to me, go and go dance with a friend, go and go dance with a friend. We don't want to dance, we don't want to dance. Because him so drunk, he can't get up. Rather the dancing, little dancing and showers of rain outside.
Showers of rain outside,
Showers
though.
of rain outside.
Lord God, and I hope people understand that, because I know our head and our shoulder and our wet, but rain did a fall.
Rain did a fall, Raga. Right at the doorway outside of the car.
At the doorway of the car?
Yes.
Jeez, so what you did do? You did hold the side of the car or the back of the... No, it have to be the side of the car. Couldn't the front or the back. At the side, because it's always the side. I have heard. Wait, somebody come? Oh.
Well, Andy.
You have to go?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm on the phone.
Well,
yeah, right at the side of the...
I know Bossy that.
Bossy, alright, Bossy gonna do something for the baby.
Okay, cool.
Bossy know my head at the but and everything them for now.
See, them, I understand. See.
So I like say, as I tell you before, I like say I hide my past, but you don't need to know the details, isn't it?
No, I understand them. No, because most man can manage them something.
Him will tell me film details, because me know. I know the details, but me know me can manage it. My heart strong, feel man not strong.
Well, that is usually the
case. I'm a princess. Princess, don't do this thing.
No, never.
Say what?
Never. And it's always like 3, only 3, and the most is 5. Never past 5. All right? Because
me not hide it, because I mean say, if you're done with the ex, move on to your next.
If what?
Me not hide it. You don't know the song I say, if you're done with the ex, move on to your next.
No, but tell me something. A man ever ask you how many man you have before him? A man ever got foolish enough to ask you that?
So nobody never asked me that?
Good. Them
maybe
smart.
Because I always tell them, say, I'm not saying I'm in a relationship or whatever. I did that with that ex, Raga.
Yeah.
I was 19 when I left him, and I told myself that I will never, ever stay with a man that treated me poorly.
Okay.
So it now work out, and I let my spouse know that, listen, whether we have kids or not, assets or not, if I'm unhappy, I'm going. Life too short.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Makes sense.
No man not really ask me that. Them know some head at her.
Yeah, proper at it, though.
Okay, because me have bad memory. Me not try to tell too much line or I omit information, but me not really tell cause too much things I have to try remember.
Yeah.
So them not gonna ask me, because I go tell them the truth and I go hurt them feelings.
And then can't manage it and thing. Me not ask them question.
Do not ask no question, Raga. Your heart will fail you.
Somebody say you're Leo.
I'm a Cancerian.
A Cancerian. I want that again.
I am very emotional and toxic.
You're emotional and toxic. Bro, she owns it. I want that again.
July.
I hear month this. Okay. All right. Cancer, emotional and toxic. Jesus, God, you hear them, man?
But it's the truth. We are very loving, we're very caring, but we have a toxic side. Once you cross us, because we're so giving of ourselves. Once you cross us, no, I'm not do it again. Why would I do it again? Liberty asked me why I do it. I'm not do it again. I tell her why I do it.
No, I think different now.
Number one, accuse me. I'm grown and I'm married and.
Yeah, a different thing now, man.
It's a different mentality than when you're a teen. Come on.
Exactly. She had about when she did young, you know.
I was like 19. Come on.
Okay. And those are the age for you going with the something them anyway. So.
Yeah, and the boy did I rinse me out with girl.
So,
why if me do it one time?
Sometimes man fit take bone to you, man, that me say. And
sometimes man have to humble them, Raga. If you not do it sometime, nah, humble themselves.
No, me.
Them can't do anything and get away with it. But sometimes once you touch them, can.
Yeah. I'll take some alcohol, but I rate a man who can get bone and hold it and not go about him and kill nobody and all them foolishness. I them man them rate, you know? Yeah.
Same semester, Raga.
This so it there.
You must can take away your dish out.
Precisely, don't it? And,
Anyway, Raga, later.
big up yourself, you know. All right.
All right, yeah, man.
and I'm so happy that you're coming to Ragashanti. I'm gonna give you the ticket where you pay for here. People should buy a ticket. Yeah. Eh?
Are you at the bus?
No say a word, man. Big up yourself. All right. Protection. Yeah. Love and blessing. And if anybody trouble you, call me. Oh. All right. Cool.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Right.
I had to call sister in that, man, you know. And people, again, you know, should pay for a ticket. If anybody want for that ticket there, don't win the ticket if you not go. Right? With the ticket them where people buy, there are people who can't come, but them are going to buy tickets. Again, all of who can't come, who just buy a ticket or two, right? Me have somebody else at England who say he can't come, but he might buy 2 tickets. I give them ticket. But don't win the ticket them if you can't go, right? I want people to win the ticket who are going to actually go. All right? Blast say where? Amazura in Queens, New York. Ragashanti birthday party. Ragabash. Saturday, September 20th. Right? Proper party that. Grown and sexy thing. Put on your clothes. Beard good before no come. Soap up 2 times and them something there. Put on nice perfume and nice cologne and thing and smell good and come. Come in a one nice outfit. My suggestion, wear what you have. For that you have. And remember, son, what you're wearing, how you put it on and how you rock it. I can't tell you how many times I see woman wear some cheap and clean outfit and done all some people in a Louis and Balenciaga and all them something there and whatever and murder them out there, man. Right? Somehow when you buy the outfit, them and you don't even know to accessorize properly. You don't know the right thing. Let me tell you something, man. You see the right necklace and the right accessory them will make or break the most expensive outfit. Right? And when you put it together, it comes like when you put on good makeup. It's not just obvious that you have a makeup. When woman put on makeup good, you know, notice the makeup, you know, you say, whoa, she look good, you know, man, she clean. But when them go too hard with the makeup, you look, oh, she have a whole heap of makeup right away. Them. You know what I say? And the same thing with accessories. You know, if you make your accessory upstage your outfit, you know, if you make where look by you, and the first thing where I see your accessory, and just pay attention to the big old pearl necklace around your neck, where coming like you have one whole heap of white stone and dry you down. Right? It must complement your outfit, so the entire thing is telling a story. And when the story is being told, it must be a feeling. So when we look upon your ladies, we must get a feeling. But that feeling is from you knowing how to put everything together, to make it blend together, so it's singing a song. A song was mixed down properly. So the song have the guitar, it have the bass, it have the snare drum, it have the piano, it may have all kind of instrument. But when it have played together, it's not obvious to be like, oh, you're the hand there, you're the song. We just hear the song. And I see me on a dress and put together, and the woman them who have that game they done, them bad pan that. It's a symphony, right? You must be communicating a feel. That's why when woman buy clothes to the man, them wanna understand. A woman will see her outfit and say, boy, this body, I like it. I forget it. And she goes, rrr, and she run and buy it. And when she put it on, she will say, I don't know. Yeah, the outfit look good, but I don't know. It just not feel right, Pam. Yeah, that's something there. The woman them who understand that's something there. And them when them touch road, you know, them done everybody. But somehow on a see it, and that I wear, and that Beyonce wear, so when I think I have to go in night, I no jump go in night, and none don't look good. On a run go in night, and then I don't look like one goat in a one Beyonce outfit. I'm just saying. All right. No. All right, we could go to the phone line. We go to the phone line. All right, then. Oh, we go down the line. Hello. Hello.
Okay. How about this? Our coolest. Damn girl, Skyler, see. Control your child.
Only to control Skyler when they at work.
Control your pity.
Only to control Skyler.
You can't like my big woman too much. I want them in boss. Oh yeah, that one here. You more eating? Put them in my freezer.
You know Skyler, the story and take this here. And the lady bar.
No, man, just come, give me a break.
Look at them right there, son.
Me look, that garbage I want to go to steam. Yeah, Skyler left me alone.
So what's Skyler do? How Skyler did do? How Skyler did do? How Skyler did do? Take care of herself, you know. God, she gone, you know. Hey, how Skyler did do?
Sorry, Raga, I never mean to call you. Accident. I listen to your mix up and you go touch the button. Never mean to call you, okay?
Yeah, but when they listen to the whole drama with she and Skyler, you know, and a fasting on a business and thing and whatever. No. Yeah. All right. Now say a word. Whatever your voice sound like, Pandy Rock voice.
Yeah. Tired. Yep. Just come from work.
All right. Now say a word. Big up yourself, yeah?
Big up yourself, Raga.
Love and blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah. All right, cool. Bye-bye.
Explain now. Da. Hello. Hello.
Sorry. Can you take me down, please?
Well, you didn't mean to go up?
Good night.
Good night?
It's a mistake.
Oh, it was a mistake?
Yes.
And it's not a welcomed mistake, right? No? What is that music playing in the background? It sounds like something that I would like. It sounds very relaxing. And what is that?
Pardon?
What is that music playing in the background? It sounds like something I would like. What is it? What is that playing?
It's a movie I'm watching.
Oh, it's a movie. Okay. Well, yeah, a little kind of relaxing music in the background there. So all is well otherwise?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
How was your day been?
Relaxing. I was sleeping.
Oh, is this your rest day?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you had a good rest?
Yes, I worked last night. Well, night before.
Yeah. 2 nights straight?
I work at nights, yeah.
You work at nights, okay. Is this like 12-hour shifts or something like that?
Yes.
Okay. You work in the medical field?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I figured and things. So, yeah, you have to make sure you get your rest, you know, get your beauty sleep and so forth. Even though getting your beauty sleep, perhaps that's not necessarily something that is a priority for you because you seem to be a natural beauty, you know.
Oh, thank you.
You're most welcome anytime, darling, okay? All right. Okay. I love this little exchange we just had. You take care of yourself and big up your good bed where you're resting at today. All right. Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye. Go on, man. We just talking. We just. Alien too cute.
I no close Raga.
So.
Evening to you and your panel. Me hear you say if you sing, so me I go say, if him left and my only family to me have is to chip day.
Well, so you sing a tune for your ex. Sing the tune. Yeah. Nah. You can't say P and you can't say wood. You can't say P and you can't say wood. Sing the tune for your ex again, the alien too cute. Sing it again.
If him left and my, you know the only family have is to chip the wood. Me possessed with the good and only value with the alien bonnet. Man him take the house and car and done it.
Oh, you mean if him left and a year sitting the only father sitting the office for cheap, they would you possess with the good underneath.
He no stop skinning.
Him say it tighty. Bunny, take bad for him. Run him.
Let me give you a quick little drama.
Yeah.
Since evening when you're tuning me, I say Raga time, you know, but me need to that cool me ear because me have natural ear. And you know, near the old school, me not dress and judge. When me a go, me a feel look like a princess when me a go. But when me in a yard, me say, you understand me? I don't know whole heap of nails and this a yard. And when me a do road, so me have to look different. So me say I come here and sit now here play the tune them and my niece I catch a voice. That my sister daughter, she come down here. So same time my sister pastor come to pick up something. Me left you in the living room, me na deal with something. I think come I just dry you, carry you in the shop, go lock you up. Then me hear you start.
Well on, you dry me carry me in the shop with you, right?
Yes, come lock you up, Ronnie, so.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yes, me dry and care you come in here. Here, you know, all of the woman them want pay for you no good body. Nothing for no pay for no Jesus.
So what the pastor do I say when him hear me say that?
Him not here, me say me dry and care you come in at the shop before you start because me know say for your mouth, you know. Me no want to hear them there's something there, so me just dry your cloth and carry you in at the shop.
Yes, man, lock me up in the shop. Yeah, because you know one thing. Right. Cause then can't manage them sitting there from Raga, you know.
That me I tell you, Raga.
God, no. Go on. No. I said no for them pastor. They're not particularly fond of me, you know. So.
Me make sure I put you in the shop with me, my love, because me no want them go say me a disrespect them. Me a Ragashanti a disrespect them, you know.
Right. Which is.
Sure put you in the shop with me. And Raga the little man or woman who talk and a laugh when you give you the little tips, say the whole heap of chemical and the whole heap of pill them no good for you and him a skinny teeth and me here you go say him a young bird make him go and skinny teeth and mock your Raga. Because enough of them when them are 20 them pop down.
See, him name Tav. Him name Tav in our chat. Him name Tav. The one Tav, yeah. Beat him. Yeah.
How much, Tav?
Him in I'm 30s. No, him in I'm 30s. You mean I'm 30?
When you're 36 or 39, you can't stand up.
Yeah.
You understand me? We have to catch you up with stick.
Yeah, see him there, see him in the chat, him say easy or whatever. So when you say Tava fair catch up in sitting with stick down. Yeah.
Here, stop take the drugs.
Yes,
stop,
man. Yes.
Stop take the pill.
Yes.
Do some vegetable.
Yes.
Do some vegetable. Lower the pillow.
Yes, Tav. Mm-hmm.
Tav. Anna, Raga. You know.
Me?
Yes, man.
What me do?
Me the everybody beaten, but no hot beaten. Which night in the shop? Which night me hear you say you teach what's your name? NC. The girl cook the tin mackerel.
Oh, CBS. Yeah.
CBS don't follow me, Saraka. Because you don't have to put time and garlic in a tin mackerel. All you have to do is just cut up your onion, cut up your sweet pepper, cut up your tomato and piece of scotch bonnet pepper and just stir it little bit. Make your oil well hot. Stir it little bit. And then you flash your tin mackerel in that. And then you sprinkle little black pepper in it and you send on. Simple.
But listen to me now. Me I go beat you now. Cause deaf ears get liar trouble. It's not me bring up the time thing, you know.
Who?
Is she bring up time? Is she? No, but me I tell you, say, is she bring up the time and all me do is ask her. So what you put in when you start, you know, when you fry up, look like your seasoning and thing or whatever. Me say, and she said the garlic, you know, and the onion. So me say, me ask her, and if she go say she put in the time, so she fry time.
Time now fi go in that. All you put time in a maybe like a stew chicken fi give that flavor there.
No, so basically what me I say is, you come for me a while ago, but then me say it, and she say she put time, she fry up time. It's a fry time, woman. She fry time. Right? No. Well on. Me want you talk to her, but she fry the time. She said she fry the time with the onion. So talk to her about her time frying. CBS, Christina Brown Sugar in the chat. But Christina Brown Sugar, CBS. Talk to her.
Put my time in your tin mackerel, my baby love.
Yes, talk to her.
Time and garlic, you hear, honey?
Yes.
You only want your hot pepper,
yes.
your tomato,
yes.
your onion, and piece of sweet pepper.
Yes.
And so me know say all the youth, the one name, the one who laugh after you.
Tav.
Him bigger and no hot.
Him bigger and hot, sweet pepper boy.
Sweet pepper.
Yes. Bigger and hot. But the other thing, you see the same thing what CBS do, all of the women them in the ANC. Because when me a hear and thing and whatever, me a beat her, the rest of the women them I say, one name Java, one name Antasha, one name Merlin Fid, one name Joan, Munchie in there too, Del Marine, the whole of them agree with us, so them fry time too. So it's a time frying group. All of the ANC, them fry them time. A time fry. Talk to them.
And a Jamaican then come from?
Yeah, that them claim. Talk to the ANC woman them. The ANC. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Don't need no time in no tin mackerel and even.
Yes. Even. If
you put little time in there, it don't need to fry.
It don't fry the time. Don't fry the time. Don't fry the time. Never stop fry the time. Never stop fry the time.
Stop fry on the time.
Yes.
Even if you hear what me say.
Yes.
I don't want them to say me a talk back with you.
Yeah.
Just I say even if.
Yeah.
Fry no time round here.
Yeah.
Time no fi fry.
Right.
You just pick off one little piece and drop it in the tin mackerel if you want to do that.
Right. But it not for fry.
Enough to fry. I where the mass raga where they get them cooking from.
Me no know. Me no know.
Who teach them to cook?
Me no know. I have no idea, not at all. And the whole of them look like them Baffan, the ANC woman them. But you know who are you rate up now? The real cook of them are the SDC lady them, Charm and them woman there, you know. Charm, Sweetness and them have top cooker, you know. So big up them for me, the SDC.
Are your team?
Yeah, I'm my team that the SDC, I'm my crew.
Me not follow you.
Why? Why?
Follow
what you mean they not follow me? Nah, man. Big up the SDC ladies. Them can't cook.
Me have to hear them come on.
Yeah.
Park. Oh, me no want to talk about nothing mackerel because me don't tell them already. Tell me how them cook like curry mutton.
Curry mutton. Oh, yes. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
And then if they forget beaten, then get beaten. If they forget ratings, then get ratings.
All right, me
you
go.
Can't draw me out, Mr. Raga.
No, me not draw you. Do you see it? You're an independent thinker, and we appreciate that. And thing, you know, you're an independent thinker, and so forth and things. So you want if one of the SDC woman them can come on and tell you how them cook curry mutton.
Yes.
Right.
Me will be the judge for say why them turn up man. Them
all right.
For Miss Fry time. No bother with that.
Miss Fry time, no. You see it? You put me in my place, but you still put on your foot car principle is principle and right. Principle. No fry time around here. No time frying. Yeah. That no work.
Belly rat. If you're wrong, you're wrong.
You're not back on belly rat. If you're wrong, you're wrong or whatever. You're not take back talk. You're not put your mouth a grung like we say in a Jamaican talk. Right is right. Exactly. Right is right. You understand? Right is right. I think. So what you just say now to Kimberly, one next one in the Kimberly, right?
She,
me no know, she insists that she boil what name the chicken in a porridge. You ever hear anybody do that? Yeah?
No, Raga, me not believe that part. Chicken in a wish porridge.
Kimberly, she post it bowl or whatever, you know.
Kimberly, me not take up that from my head. That I go give me head.
No, I'm just saying. She said like, me don't know, but she give it the impression like a something when most. You ever hear about that chicken? You ever hear about chicken porridge?
Me never hear about that yet, me love.
She named Kimberly. She in a fair thing that too, you know, chicken.
How that taste? You ever taste that, Mr. Raga?
The taste what? Me never taste it and me would never taste it and thing or whatever. I don't tell you say them up here them a cook all kind of foolishness and thing. And big and bold company people them social media and all are bright with it about our chicken porridge and thing and whatever.
I'm not sure it. And
yeah.
All the one where you say show the Axtail and a bean the on the top. So
no, first of all, don't say a bean, a the tree bean. So I don't even enough bean, right? So she said she had cook Axtail, right? And carry and show up on the internet too, you know. She named Angela Benjamin. Long time people call her Mooney, but me give her the name Butterbean. Say she had cook Axtail. And let me tell you, and she show it and a beer black water we see. The water black like a walk. And when we looking at the water now, on the black water, we see 3 butterbean, and the butterbean them obviously them are bleach, right? Because the 3 of them are bleach, right? So them obviously are bleach, and the 3 of them they on top. And when me tell you the butterbean them white because them OD on the bleaching and thing and whatever, right? And a 3 of them we see. And we not see neither the axe nor the tail.
You know, and one man did text and said they must go do diving, sitting on another dive.
You know, them a scuba dive. Yeah, him say the Axtail them did a scuba dive, that's why. So when we ask Angela Benjamin, that is her name, we say, so when the Axtail, them under the bottom, you can't see them. You ever hear Axtail cook it and then the water cover it where we can't even see the Axtail?
Oh man, No, sir, nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
Me no feel say no Axtail in the pot.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Right? Coming like one another one from the ANC. So she cook rice and peas. We see the red in the rice, you know, but we not see the peas. We see the red in the rice, but we not see the peas. So we say, oh, the red.
When she done cook the peas, because remember peas have to cook first, you know, she just skim out the peas.
Oh.
Yeah, she can do that. Skim it out and just use the peas water.
Well, what you say? Skim it out or skin it out?
Skim.
Skim. Eh? Okay.
Hi, Raga.
Hello. What is your name? What is your name?
Akim Buckley.
Akim Buckley. Akim, it's a pleasure to meet you. How old are you, Akim?
8.
My birthday 9 Thursday.
Okay, Akim, you're 8 years old now. You're going to be 9 years old soon. Are you excited that your birthday is coming up?
Yes, Uncle
Raga.
Don't worry, Akim. A lot of people call me Roger sometimes, you know. But Akim, what do you want for your birthday?
I want a pet bunny rabbit.
You want a pet bunny rabbit?
Yes.
Okay. We might have to talk to mommy about that, you know, because you know, to care for a bunny rabbit, you know, you have to be home all the time and things. But if you don't get the bunny rabbit, what would you want to get? Huh?
Parrot. I be a weird something.
Okay, so if not the bunny rabbit, then you want a parrot. But anyway, Akim, listen to me, Uncle Raga, you just made my day. I met you and you sound intelligent and bright. You sound like you're doing well in school. That's correct? Are you doing great in school?
I got 1 year in school, but we never get to go to school because we're going in school.
Okay, all right then, Akim. Nice meeting you here, and thank you so much for talking to me today, all right?
Yes, Uncle Roger.
All right then, Akim. All right, bless you. Take care now, and take care of mommy, and take care of grandma, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Raga, one more thing before me go away. You remember when you did up on the radio and this brother like him did have one big woman a deal with and him someday and him sister mash up him life and him saying sister favor Geico?
Yeah, Geico, yeah, me vaguely remember it and thing, yeah.
You hear back from them people there?
No, me no remember them, but me remember that Geico something then when...
Yeah, man, when he says the Geico lizard, you know, remember the Geico lizard where you used to advertise?
Me know, but that mix up there, I think a St. Elizabeth it did come from, though.
Must be some man, but indeed, like him a scam out one big woman. And his sister go tell the big woman.
That wasn't the mix up when them refer to the woman as slobber.
Yes.
Yes, you may remember now.
And yes, she ugly like the Geico.
The sister will match her. Yeah, cause slobber. I forgot that it was one big mix up, you know, because I think the woman, one of them, they call in after and take it to him too, you know, and give them for them side. You know, remember, it was one of a big mix up them. I don't know what I'm to them. And yeah, man, St. Elizabeth, a Saint that mix up that did come from somewhere in a Saint, you know.
Okay, all the while, my mind flash panda mix up the man.
Yeah, Sharon Good has member it and things. Some people member it too, you know.
I may have one little man what they so one name Babsy. Him and me imaginary man him jealous of everybody who come around me. See him right here, sir. I said that's all I want to talk to Raga. You want to say hi to Raga, Babsy? He said jealous.
Hey, Babsy.
Raga, say hi.
Hi, Raga.
Yo, Babsy, me know why you come eye me, you know. I look my woman. You know say me an alien there.
No, you can't have alien, you know.
What you mean can't have alien? I have alien long time. You are just come. You just come.
Just come. Me have
You
her
just...
before.
Hear me, Babsy, give Ileana money for give me.
No, are you forget my money?
You give Ileana money for give. You minor and me grinder.
No, me suck off that.
You what? You what?
Suck off that. Frankie.
You suck off that from she?
Yeah.
You mean suck off? You take her money off her?
Yeah.
No, lie you tell. That me I tell you. You understand? But
I don't save me, I'll show you money.
Babsy,
Yeah.
go easy, man. You see you are suck. You see me a Hennessy. You see you are ice mint. You see me a ice and big cake and all them things there, right?
All right.
Yes.
Babsy, ask me permission for go and talk to Ian. Ask me permission for talk to Elaine. Ask me permission. Ask me permission. Ask me permission.
No 150 me here.
Babsy.
Oh, see? I 150 me here.
Babsy.
Yeah, man.
Ask me permission for go and talk to Elaine.
Peace, brother.
Ask me now.
All right, we're good now.
All right, Mr. Raga.
No, me say ask Babsy, ask me permission for talk to Elaine. Say, please can
If I can have Elaine.
you can't have her, but me give her permission for go and talk to her and mine her while me grind her.
All right.
All right.
Respect that to dinner.
All right then, Babsy, we have an agreement.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Stick to it.
Yeah, I stick to it. All right, Elaine, big up yourself. All right, yeah, man. Yo, anytime Elaine come in, you know, the thing get jiggy and festive, you know, and it just throw me in my element for going with my frigate, you know, mad thing. Only panda show you them something they go on. You hear me? I tell you, no, you just trust the process, you know. You don't know what gonna happen, you know, but things just happen and it's just unique and particular to this setting. You understand? And particularly when the characters emerge and the chemistry come about and other people kind of feel the vibes and them just jellying with the thing. Why? Mad something down. All right then. So, Elaine sing her song to her ex, right? The one where she said, if him left and a fear sitting the fat, the only father sitting have a fit shape, she possessed with the good underneath. When them, him say he tighty, and then pass me the Vaseline and let them. Yeah, 20, man. I'm feeling like 13, man, you know. When you find it, being the first song, what? The tight like a Titus. Mad something. Yo. Yeah, Sham said Tambourine radio Tik Tok is taking over. Oh, you mean a Ragashanti live I do it them for no. Mad something, don't. Yes, tune for your ex. Call in and sing a tune for your ex. And if you want to win a ticket to Ragabash. One rush boss they say Raga behave, make we go church. Lanoy, what are we you know Raga? Watch ya. You know she said that a anthem in a dancehall. If you don't know that you nobody say nothing. Cause probably Lanoy all Delmarine know that song there, and Delmarine know the song them. You understand? And all Delmarine know that the song there already, right? And the only song them with Delmarine know like all things bright and beautiful, Jesus bids a shine, and them look at something there. And Mosquito 1, Mosquito 2, Mosquito jumping hard, Calalo. And them sang the Delmarine know. Dark bite to go on. Yo, who remember that? Mosquito 1, Mosquito 2, Mosquito jumping hard, Calalo. Yo, Jamaica nice, you know. Jano, our country nice, man. Jamaica always a keep. And big up Grenada took our Sonia there. All right, big up Guyana too, Caribbean, and big up the Trinidad, even though we always have problem with it. We always a bad mind with. The Trinidad always a bad mind with. And big up the people who don't like Jamaicans because, as on a claim, everybody thinks everybody from the Caribbean is from Jamaica. I want to get touches about that. All right? pure white locks. So Raga, I have Gussie from Shatters here. La lie. Big up Gussie, you know. See, the dog bite said Del Marino know no music. All right. Tune for X. Call in and sing a tune for your ex, or if you have any secret admirer mix up and things. See? Watch your right. We're juggling, you know. The same time I do the show, 10 million people ask me for co-host. And them send the thing, co-host. All right. Kavi.
Hey, listen, good night, Ragashanti, good night.
Good night. Are you going to behave yourself tonight, you know?
Yes, my only call to sing one song for you.
You sing a song? You going to sing a song for me or you sing it for your ex?
Tonight, like, I'm supposed to be posh tonight because last week the character never really get nowhere, so I want to be posh tonight and see if that will work. You know what I mean?
You want to be posh tonight?
Yes, to see if I can get a little leeway.
You see, got a little leeway? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this is my song.
Well, who you sing a song for? Your ex?
You.
You sing it for me? Duh. Okay. Take it away. She said, duh.
Okay, here I go.
All right, take it away.
I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise. I am a great big It's not great banana.
Well, a great big what?
Fat banana.
No, start it over. I'm create back. Start it over.
All right, I'm sing the song. I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise to ride Ragashanti. I am a great big bundle of great fat punani. Oh yeah, and I'm learning. And I'm trying to write. And I'm a big bundle of Ragashanti. Please pick me.
Raga, please pick me.
I'm not fish tonight. Every week we're supposed to come start you?
No, I don't think you should do that.
I play some songs since night and like, you know.
Yeah.
You understand where I go on and just hype up yourself and I go and you know say me I watch you. You see you? You know say me I watch you, go like you're surprised. You know me I start, I must watch you.
No, I don't know if you watch, but I not make them assumption.
I never come here and tell us me I start. I tell them who me is, I tell them I watch up on every video, every picture, everything. Me I start.
No, but me no, when me I juggle, me not think all the while say you watch me.
Why you try to add it? Me see people on the corner and wife it, you know. Wife come out of the room and go in and if you want to talk to Ragashanti, I look a bit please.
I'm me alone there. I'm me alone there.
But anyway, Raga.
I'm me alone there.
What you can do for me tonight?
What I can do for you tonight? What you want? What you want?
You could witness can go on.
No.
All you have to do is smile and wait till I want to you and you smile. So what you
all right. No smile. No smiling now go on.
No smiling now go on? About your voice too.
What?
Your voice too.
All right, then suppose somebody start talking up in my nose. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What going? What going? But nothing there if you look for me. I just
gorgeousness.
No, it just big nose, big head, Raga. Nothing there if you look for. Big nose.
Yeah, big head.
Listen, I walked right into that, didn't I? I walked right into that one, didn't I?
I promise. I wanna climb on Raga big head and the one below.
Wanna climb on Raga big head?
You like big head, you know?
I don't know if I would.
Remember, say you no small fries, and I remember me look. Me steer, me watch. You're just clean and smooth, so.
Oh, thank you.
One bag of gibberish, but it's a look by your good. So.
Thank you. Thank you.
Make me nervous.
You're so kind.
Someone be nice, man.
All right.
Why all them liberty? I mean, I try look the man I hear is a kick out myself. So look a girl, what wrong with you?
No, leave the little girl, man. Leave the little girl.
Black look like our father tell her something. I don't understand your black traffic tonight.
No. Let me teach you something. Kids, they have a psychic connection with that. Anytime their parents are focusing their emotions and their attachment elsewhere, it trigger them to immediately want them parents' attention and to focus on them. They sense it.
Yeah, man. I'm glad you know me emotionally attached to you. Yeah, man. Talk the things there.
Well, that is not what I meant. But may I explain what I'm going with your daughter. May I explain what I'm going with your daughter.
You know me emotionally attached to you.
I was merely explaining what is going on with your daughter.
I like the shirt. I like the chain. I like all the color of your skin. Like it is smooth. It is smooth, so.
Yeah, all right.
What I go do?
Here we are going. No, here we are going. Here we are going.
One bag of foolishness.
And hold on, man. Here what me I say. Hold on, man. Clutch. What me I say? Listen. Somebody in our chat, a youth named Tav, him say him want one half of you. How that a go?
No, I hear nothing about Tav.
Tav.
Me hear Tav story. Me hear Tav story. Me don't want nothing off of Tav. Ragashanti me interested.
Tav say Tav say any him give one and whatever. Him say any you give him one little green light, you go obsessed with him after that. That Tav say.
I lie. Tell me what Tav say again. I mean, no, you say
Tav. See, all your name rhyme with V female. You Cav and him a Tav. Tav and Cav. Tav say anyhow you give him one run and thing and whatever. You forget about Ragashanti and that's how you focus about it.
Yeah, and what else Tav tell us? I know yourself you talk. Me want to listen. What else Tav say?
No, me just tell us Tav want one half of you.
What do to me?
What? Who? Me can't do nothing. My name. Me cannot do anything. Me can't do anything. Me can't do anything. Me don't know what to do. Me don't know nothing what to do.
I said Tav.
No, me don't know nothing what to do. I Tav one you know.
So we stop that.
But listen, Kavi, it's always a pleasure. But oh, the little one.
She's okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, I'm going to call again next week again. It's supposed to be Pash. Next week, I'm going to call as a nerdy girl. I'm going to put on my glasses.
Yeah.
Yes, because something for work for me, you know. I went to come uptown tonight, but it never work out.
So, that one never work out, you know?
Yeah, so next
week. Uptown British accent with Sunday school song. That one they never gel. It's true we have, you know?
You see that?
Yeah.
God, Jesus.
What we need is character consistency.
Consistency.
Yes, today we had character contradictions.
You see it there?
We had Jamaican uptown with British accent. I sing Sunday school song.
I don't want no contradiction, only ragadiction. Me want.
Only ragadiction. Yeah. All right, big up yourself. Yes, so what you say next week? A nerdy girl I do it now.
Yes, now I try to come to some. Cause nothing now work. I need to try something else. I need a blind raga. You don't understand what I want, you know.
I don't.
Tab, help me get raga. Cause you understand no chance. I help you to help me. Tab.
Stop not stand a chance with you.
No, him to help me get you.
But you don't know.
Him need to tell me what I need to do.
Nah, but you know, you don't know. You forget to have a chance, and then you see what is what.
So you want me to turn like the lady we call you and I whisper?
No, no, man. You have some man, you know. Them have forget your man name start out, you know. You know about that?
Raga.
Yeah, you have some man, if you get a sort out from them, you can't remember. You know the soca song when the woman say, the iron have me so bad, so she can't remember her husband name. Yeah. You have some man, you know. You have some man, they put a sort out for you, make you can't remember your man name, you know. Have the sort out.
Come on, Chinese, you talk to me. I talk to you in a Chinese, you speak a language I don't understand.
All right, we're going to see what, we're going to see what going for the nerdy girl.
So you're not going to know, see me, watch me, I restart. I will be back next week.
All right, then
You must pick me one. You must pick me 1 week.
We're gonna see what I'm going for Nerdy Girl next week, yeah? All right.
Yes, good night, darling. Good night, everyone.
Good night, baby girl. Bless you. All right, yeah, man. See.
Yeah.
Yo, Kavya, be a trouble she go on with, you know, man. Be a trouble she go on with. What Tav say, good for you. Good. Tav, you and Kavi for link, you know. Kav and Tav. You know, see the two I want to match, yo. I want to for juggle together, man. Tav and Kav. This is the thing there. Right? See it, and we just want to say, big up Kimberly with our chicken porridge and thing. Because what is good is when people proud of what them do despite what people say. And she's, you know, solid in her conviction with her chicken porridge and thing. Nobody else now drink that, but I fear her thing. If I hear a thing, I hear a thing. If I this, I hear that. Junior Chin say, me feel sorry for Kimberly, man. Poor fella. When you say Junior? When you say Junior? Junior, when you say Kimberly, man, must have go through it down with them chicken porridge there. Yeah. Most rough on the G. You understand? God.
Hi, Raga.
Hey, what's up?
Hopes and dreams, aspirations, you name it up there.
That's right. What I go do?
I want to sing something for my ex.
Sing a song for your ex. Make we hear it now. Mm-hmm.
You ready now, Raga?
Shoot. Send on.
No run come up in a me magnum, boy. Right.
Sing what? Go on, sing it up.
I joke.
Nothing wrong with that. If I this say you there, I understand.
No, man.
Run come up in a me magnum, boy. Stand up in front me shotgun, boy. What you say? If you this.
No, disrespect
me. Out fun. And your life, and your life, I go in. I know, when I say, I know what, I know sitting on there, whatever, all right.
But well, I make a true singer for real.
No, but if I did say you're there with it, but sing a song for him then.
All right, sing a song.
Yeah, sing a song for your ex, man.
Thought I heard your voice yesterday.
Papa Jesus.
Then I turned around to say that I love you. Then I realized that it was just my mind
playing tricks on
me.
Sing, girl. Mm-hmm.
I miss you. There's no other way to say it. And I can't deny it. I miss you. It's so easy to see that I miss you and me.
Later! Mad thing. Big up yourself, man. See? Voila. You missing for true?
Actually, no. Me actually get a good up, man.
Yeah, but good up. Okay. What? All right.
6'4" Carmen.
So when you sing that the song for your ex, for why you sing a song where really reflect how you feel. All right.
Before run come up in my magnum boy.
All right, then I just say you there. All right, then cool. All right, bless up yourself here.
All right, my love. Little more.
Mad thing, blessings, cool.
Big up.
What you answer me, G?
Hey, Raga.
Yo.
I just said that to know. You know my man run earlier today. Remember the first time when you come, you go on DJ Rai show. Yes, and yeah, tell him all the, say you coming and Juan man is supposed to the host one time. When him what the guy name by Jamaica. Yeah, they were supposed to host one time.
Cool.
What the DJ at Jamaica name again, man? The short.
Well, the short one. DJ.
The not DJ, radio announcer, man. When him Barry G. Yeah, Barry the G never used to shooting anywhere. One time.
No, well, somebody come in and chat here, put some big heavy duty. Let me just delete that person here. Then I chat with some porn stuff and let me just block them, you know. 1 second. Alright, yeah, I think them get blocked now, so then after you block them, you have to wait the 1 second. Okay. Alright, good.
So you and Barry G never fit hook up one time. And they never work out. Are they true? When you did come in New York.
Hook up?
Like you do the show together. That's what I mean. Look,
perhaps not. There was a time when I was supposed to pass through a broadcast he was doing, but it wasn't host together. It was supposed to come through. Yeah.
Me a long time guy, man, because me start from New Jersey, and you remember me move go Massachusetts.
No, but just all these years doing the show, I always see a name there, Franklin Bygrave, you know, Franklin Bygrave, you know.
Yeah, a long time. But anyway, when me call you and you I give you the thing there. So I say you're going too far, you know. You like shatters. Remember Lou Rankin when he had the pool with the pretty girl. My man they shot him with that, but he said no Biggs cover a shoot. He said, you got too far.
Okay, well, on. For those of you to say something about a violation, it's not. Yeah, there are people play games over here. It's a fake page. I see some of you getting alarmed about it. There's no violation, okay? It's good. There's all kind of stupid things they do over here and things. So it's all good, okay? Okay, keep going. Yeah, so what you say now? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so anyway, what we called about is when you were talking about the medical stuff there. And I got a cousin, he's in Massachusetts now.
Yeah.
The guy, I think it's no more than 58 years old, Raga. And I did know because I left Jamaica from 83. And I left him though, and he was a little, younger than me.
Right.
He traveled to Cayman and he go back and forth and all of that. So he get to come up here. He was in Carolina for a while. Then he left and he went to Florida by his sister. And I was there when I was in Massachusetts about a couple of years ago. He was there with his sister. Called me and said he got a stroke. I'm like, what? Oh, how come? Because I never knew that he had high blood pressure, Raga. And in no time, Raga, the guy got 2 strokes. Now the guy in the hospital in Massachusetts, a year and a half now, can't move, Raga. I'm telling you. You see.
So, but given what we were talking about earlier, did that contribute to it?
No, you just it's a matter of take care of yourself.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm looking at. You got to, no matter how. Oh no. You know what triggered me for me to say that? His brother told me that he's supposed to take his tablets, right? And the guy said, Raga, I have to laugh. It's not funny, but I have to laugh. He said, he's not taking a tablet because he's going to make something dead. Now tell me.
Oh, okay. Well, that is another issue too. Yes. Yeah.
You're not taking care of yourself to contribute. I mean, you never know what happens still. But if you know you're in that state, you got to take your medication.
No, not only that. If you, one of the interesting things is that people will make statements and they don't think about the statement that they make. So they will make a statement, and then by extension, there is something like categorically irrational about it. So you're not going to take something because you think it will make your instrument dead.
Yeah.
But you're not going to take it and that will contribute to you being dead.
Yes, exactly. Because Raga, the guy in the hospital now, for about a year and a half, can't move, Raga. And so sometime I used to go there, and cut his hair and trim him up and all of that. And Raga, I'll never forget this evening. I was cutting his hair, and a girl, was in the same room cleaning up. And I was behind him cutting his hair. And the girl said, he's crying. I'm like, what? So when I went around there, the tears coming down his eyes, Raga. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, I'm going to take some other call and thing, but you see that L thing there, it's always a tricky thing with Jamaican men in terms of certain things we need to do, like particularly with the prostate thing there, which is a serious thing or whatever, and it just fling down a whole heap of Jamaican man because, them don't want to do certain tests what them need to do in that area and all them something there. It's a continuous issue, and one that needs continuous education in order to have Jamaican men and other Caribbean macho men to feel more secure about doing what they need to do to stay healthy, live longer, not only for themselves but for those who love them and those who need them around.
Exactly.
All right, but respect me, General. Big up yourself, All right. Yeah, man. Okay, cool. Bam 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 ba dam dim 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 dim. Lord God Almighty, my Creator, you great is sufficient for me. My Lord shall supply all my needs, according to his riches in glory. He gave his angels charge over me. Jehovah Jireh cares for me, for me, for me. Jehovah Jireh cares for me. Who remember that song there from church? Jesus and peace. Hello? Jehovah Jireh, my provider, his grace is sufficient for me. All I know, never used to go to church, I don't know, like Lanoy, I don't know them the song there and thing like that. I don't know about what skin out and what wine off, what broke light post and all them sitting there. I don't know God in now, Lanoy, Tracy back up, you don't know them song there. Yeah, Kimberly and Ono, right? I don't know Kalia and them people, I don't know them song there, right? When I listen to Uncle Raga, I make Uncle Raga put look a blessing in our. Wait, that never sound too good, Make Uncle Raga put look a blessing in our. I didn't mean that, Yeah. Well, a person answer. Hello? Jehovah Jireh, my provider, his grace is sufficient for me. My Lord, not to pray, all money. Hello?
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan warrior.
I don't even know where you talk about.
You never know what you talk about. That's true. You behave yourself now. You don't. You behave yourself now. You don't.
Trouble.
What? 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 Me not put your business out there, but you don't know. What go down?
Nothing.
Everything good?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up?
I call for say hi. I don't know why you look so handsome on my phone screen, you know. But you know me, nothing. Me no want nobody take that as nothing. Me just say.
Me?
Yeah,
But
you.
I really don't know what is going on with her lately. I be a foolishness should not keep up. I like you know. You know me how much decades I know and whatever and thing with my pop down self and whatever and thing like that. Me and you gone way past who and some of them something there. Yeah, me charge it. Yeah, me charge it whether me look good or when me pop down, you defend me.
Can't say you look good.
No, but all when me pop down and the road dirty and I sit down and I gutter, you ever defend me no matter what, no matter what, no matter what.
Okay.
All when me and you war, you defend me. All when you vex with me, you defend me.
Okay.
Me and you long past that they sit there, whatever. I don't know what is going on. We don't know woman lately, but look
Well,
good.
I mean, nothing. You know when you meet somebody genuine, I mean, know say you're genuine from the 20 humachin teen, me know you.
Yeah.
Me know say you're real. And that's why when me have personal problems, me call you personal to get your advice. So it's nothing like, me just rate you different.
No, you know me before 28. No, before 2018, you know me.
Me say 20 enough teen.
Oh, okay. Enough teen. Yeah. 20 enough teen. 20 enough teen. I got 20 enough teen. Me like that. Yeah, no, we give thanks for the endorsement. They just know. We give thanks, you know.
No, but you mix up, you know, because me always I try to say hi to you and you're not pay me no mind. So me just a call. I have never been nothing on TikTok. Like, me just watch and go through. Me never request nothing. You're the only person. So I'm just saying hi and bye.
Oh, so me make you come over TikTok, no? No, you never did on TikTok before me. Eh?
Eh?
You never did on TikTok before me. You did on TikTok before me.
No, I'm saying I've never requested to be on live on TikTok.
Oh, okay.
On you.
Okay.
You make me go live for anything. I don't go live for nothing at all.
I'm going to leave that right there. When I travel, I'm just go with what you say, you know. I know what you're talking about. Trouble, man. No, man, I say a word, man. Big up yourself, man. Love and blessings, you know. Because you know, say I don't know, all right? Blessings and respect, man. All right, cool. Yeah, man, cool.
I don't know if it come off, though.
Yeah, you know if I go up on it, but you don't know if I come off it, though. Yeah, no, that is somebody who no want come off, you know. Them know if I go on, so come off now. No. I don't know if I come off, so I'm not moving. All right. God. Life is a joy. Anybody used to call me Kingsley, you know, them know me differently, you know, from a...
Raga, take me down.
Well, you know, so you have to take down yourself.
No, can't come now, I drive.
I drive. All right, man, I take it on. Since you drive, you know? All right, yeah, man, respect, man, cool. God. Good night. When are you coming back to Montego Bay to do any show? Sometime in the future, you know? Sometime in the future. You don't know, so I'm going to drop on Pier 1 with a show, don't? What is that? Lux Vixen say Tiffany not true. All right, I'm going to go back up in the chat and see what Tiffany said. Let me see what Tiffany said, because Tiffany... Oh... You shine differently tonight. Tiffany, remember say you're low-key passive-aggressive for me from what day, and I tell you say I pray from what day, and you're low-key passive-aggressive. And then out of the blue now, you give me a nice little blessing in the night, you know. You see how you're unpredictable, you're trouble, you know. You understand. Well, you see, you send out a little blessings and things, so I know so you know so the whole man give thanks for that. You understand? Because indications are that you speak with sincerity and honesty. Allah, your little snipes them way did I take off on me from what day. So, for you to make the statement that I'm observing there now, which, you know, another listener concurred with and things like that, it means that, you know, there must be some sincerity there. Wait, hold on. Zion Kingsley Stewart, what are you doing? No, speak up. What?
Putting on lip balm.
Oh, lip balm. All right. Hey, do me a favor. Could you turn that light? This one. Could you turn that light a little bit? Wait. Watch what I'm doing. Okay, leave it like, hey, come here. Do the same with that one for me, please. And no, just the light itself. Just turn it this way because you see it's, this. Touch this itself. Yeah. Come around a little more. That's where it's supposed to be. And, you know, you can't listen to daddy when daddy is talking like this. Okay? All right, good. Zion came back up, and so he's spending a little more time with me. He goes back to school in Florida sometime, I guess in a couple of weeks or so. But him up here, I spend a little time with him father and thing and whatever. You know, when we are juggling show and whatever, you know, we just explain to him, you know. Daddy talks about stuff on the show that daddy doesn't want you to hear. So, you know, when I do the show, him have all him something them out, them feed him and thing like that and whatever, and him cool, you know, and whatever, you understand? So him know the drill, you know. So we spend all day together with him other siblings, and then him other siblings them go back and feed them base. Him stay with me, and we spend quality time. Summer is a time for me spend time with my G, you know, because you know, for those of you new here, you probably don't know what I'm going, but, you know, my first son, he lives in Florida, you know, so him spend a little time with me up here in nice summer, you know, things. So we give thanks for that, though. All right. Lover girl, do you cook for him? No. No. Well, yeah, but remember, we in Jamaica, like, if you have like a seasoning and bully beef, that's not cooking for we, you know? So, other people who call it cooking, we don't call it cooking in Jamaica. So, do I cook for him? No. Put up like a bully beef and thing? Yeah, but that's not cooking. I buy the food. Yeah, me buy the food. Yeah, buy what him like, you know, and things. But the cooking not happen over here. But me own my thing. Me not come in like the ANC woman, them get up every day and I tell people say them can't cook, right? Me not come in like Kimberly, we get up and I tell people say, me can't cook and whatever. And then bright enough I tell people, boy, you cook chicken porridge. And them something. Me not do them something there, right? Me not get up like the ANC woman and about me a big cook. And then you saute it, then you're going to fry time, right? Your alien come and give it to them and so you can't fry the time, right? Me not do them something, at least me own my thing. You understand? It would be nice if they own for them thing to do. We'll see how that go. Well, let's see how that go. Here, watch it right. Okay. Hello.
Good night, madam.
Good night.
So, I don't really do the secret admirer thing, but I want a song for me.
Yeah.
I want to help fill in the blank when I don't know it, because I feel that it just fit him perfectly. And you're an old school man, so I feel like you know it too.
Well, if I know the song, I know it, but go on.
At first I was afraid. I was petrified. Thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. And so you're back. From outer space. I just walked in to find it. That look upon
Look
your
on your
face.
face.
I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I had known for just 1 second, you'd be
Be
back to
back to
bother
bother
me.
me.
So
Oh
go,
no,
go,
no.
walk,
Walk out the door. Go on.
go, walk out the door.
Just
turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'll crumble? You think I'll lay down and die? Oh no, that
I will
will
survive.
survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know.
Dirty boy. Go on.
Raga, some of these are the ticket. Can't sing.
No, you want a
I
ticket?
can't sing, Raga.
Eh?
I can't sing.
No. Hold on.
Yes, Raga.
No, you have some people pay for tickets, you know. And some people are going to pay for tickets. I have the names here, so people. So me just me just want to say, don't move a muscle, you know. Right? Anyway, you're there right now, stay there. Even if you're there, the people and man, yeah, just don't move right now. You know. Shame me.
Some friend them have a big tune in a Raga.
You have your friend them in a chat?
Big tune, me draw for and me draw for that out. Me draw for that out and way down, me go for that in a Raga.
Oh, you mean? When you see a dog bite say you can't sing, and dog bite a proper junk crow, you know, and takes it for everybody. And when you see dog bite say you can't sing.
All right then.
All right, Shelly. Now worry yourself. You think lock and seal, you know, you have a ticket for Ragabash, all right? Lock and seal, you just win a ticket, all right?
Word.
Don't say another word and think.
Right.
I'm a glove or your bant and the old cross is dirty boy a while ago and thing. If the thing say you go drop pop down and all them thing.
Bipolar. In bipolar, Raga the man bipolar.
Yeah.
Raga the man come in front of the pastor say one married me. And the pastor side eye me ask me if me sure. Oh, that could have worked, Raga. Make it make sense. The pastor side eye me. And me going front time for, you know, get a little counting and so. And the pastor say,
no, but
sure?
why the pastor why the pastor side eye you?
The pastor knows that one devil me go married.
Or the pastor knew about him before?
Yeah, when me hear the pastor say, Mr. Hall, but this are the fourth woman you carry come in front of me, say, Raga. Me have to wonder what kind of man this. And the pastor say, if you go married to her, me go announce it in a church, make everybody hear. Yeah, the man, then why you go do that? Why you can't just be one, you and me and she alone? Raga, so me get you understand? The amount of woman and church sister, the man sleep within a church and breed and dash red bed. Me say a real hell me that go. Is either me death certificate me that go sign or something, but the man is not a man.
Well on, you was a fourth woman him a bring for married to.
Fourth person. Raga, me say me done by the dress and the ring already and I come down to Jamaica and I sell it for cash for gold and I sell but the dress and well, the money when me get back get change I just buy 2 church hats for my mother and call it a day and the man hate me from today day.
No, but who did decide not to go ahead with the marriage? You or him?
Because me I hear things Raga about him a rush me. And me I say him a rush me for marrying him, so is either something no good or something wrong with him. And you know some find out saying something no good though.
No, but hold on. So at the time when you not plan for marriage and go and talk to pastor, you never test him something yet?
Raga, no.
Hold on, no, you have to go get with the Met right there, so. You have to go get with the Met right there, so no. No, man, Tory come to bump right, I know. So how on a reach pastor? I discuss
come in a church, them tell me, Raga. So me I try to do the right thing.
And them tell us so if you married before no do it, no?
Yeah, Raga, me never test the water, Raga. Me never test it at all.
So you never hold it yet? You never hold it?
Raga, me no hold it, but you see how me see him work? And me see say, a pair shots, me I see pair shots and underpants, me not see no imprint and nothing. And I say, I don't. And then me look on him size and boot and say, a little bit. A little something, man. And me I say, but a piece I size that. Him love them size that.
When you say you're tall and strong, no. No, but what you say, you say I want lily footy, man. So yeah, I say, based on what I'm saying at Jamaica, I have a little foot, then probably not.
So you say it's little and neater than my one, Raga. Me I say this no look right.
No, but when me I say if we reach a point where we discuss marriage now in the church with the pastor and not plan for getting married, you and him never kiss yet like you bust up gums. You never bust up guns and you push up on it and feel the strength.
I never like him teeth. Raga, there are so much things I never adopt. I never like him
you never like him teeth.
I never like him smile. I never like him smile and I never like him teeth, Raga. Me kind of funny when them but at church people are forced me, Raga. I said, why, Michelle? Yeah, you're so long, you're such a nice lady. And how comes you get married? You forget married, man. And then got the devil just hear that and send one.
But when me I say, well, you and him never kiss yet and bust up gums and feel nice and you lean up in the kiss with him.
I never like how him mouth shape. Me never like how him mouth shape.
You still not answer. You still not answer. You still not answer the question. Then all right.
No. We just did do everything off a Bible, but me I do everything off a Bible, but him I do everything off of the world. You know?
So you did that got married a man where you don't even did kiss?
Because me I try to do the right thing, Raga.
And the right thing in the church, it's to marry a man and don't kiss him?
Yes, you can't, but Raga, you can't do them something there. You can't do them something. The church I got a prophecy, you can't date. We went and date. And them look at thing about the kissing part and I mean the truth, me never like him. Look here. My feet say peer pressure.
So hold on. So when them a pressure you for marry this man, you not tell us you need to get married. At that time, right you know say is a man where you never attracted to, you never like him, you never whatever. You know the whole time say you never like him and attract him.
There is some things I had like about him. The fact say him dress well, him always smell nice. And when it comes down to the Bible, him know the scripture them like the back of him, but the devil know scripture too.
Right.
So yeah. So me I say to myself, all right then. Him tap me like me I say me cock a tick. So he's like me go say all right then me just go on with it because him look like him can financially stable and him can me secure a certain way. But brother, me say when one little lady catch me in the corner, I went to work one day because I work in the hotel and it's like this lady know him. Because he came there, drive there, and leave. And the lady said, it's Brother Leon. It's you getting married to Brother Leon. So I say, yes, I'm here. The lady said, Lord Jesus Christ, me, But I tell her, go there, hear me. What is her now? She said, look here, a tree. Woman broke wine at the front of the court of the church. Over this man, I said, what you say?
Three woman broke wire for him in the church already.
Broke wire in a church after church. Who did that with who take who still asleep? And then she got tell me now say in get one pregnant and send her down to Jamaica to go about the picnic and tell me about it, but him not tell me that way there now. And tell me say how much she got down to Jamaica and her husband find out and she my soldier. He want her fight.
Oh, hold on. So that church of God of prophecy, it up here foreign, a big foreign?
Yes.
Okay, don't tell just the state. Don't tell with the road, just tell with the state, just the state.
New York, we in
New York, okay, leave it right there. So him breed when I church sister them and send her down to Jamaica go have the baby?
Yeah, but pastor nobody know where going, but pastor know about the dying thing, but him reveal a part to me. And but when the lady saw me another elderly lady in the church, she saw me and realized that him me go get married to, and she start spill the beans on him, and all of that. So, my God, no wonder me head feel so like a 10 apartment, 10-story building for my head when him say married. It just I don't, me not feel happy. Me not feel like, at the best thing, me just feel heavy. I'm going to say something right. This look like I'm a death certificate, me go sign because it's like something right with this.
Let me ask you something. All right. Listen to me and follow me now a little bit and whatever, right? So one of the things that people usually have to contend with in the church is an understanding of what faith means and what common sense mean, okay? And then sometimes people get confused there because the whole notion of faith is basically trust in the Lord, right? Not so faith go, all right? Don't so faith go, right? But not the church, not the same church say, trust in God, not in man. Not the church tell you that, though.
Exactly.
All right then. So if the church say trust in God, not in man, and you're marrying a man, because on a God you're married, is a man you're married,
Exactly.
right? Then doesn't it follow then, if the church are trust in God, not in man, then doesn't it follow then that you must make sure, say, you don't be too trusting in a man where it going to get you. It is your responsibility not to be too trusting in a man where it may cause you some serious consequences, don't it? Don't it your responsibility not to? Okay. So based upon that, is it? Yeah. But don't the church wrong then? For basically I tell people say they must not test the waters before them get married because that is ungodly. It cannot be ungodly if God give you the acumen, the intellectual acumen, if God give you common sense, and God give you responsibility and self-determination to make the choices them to ensure your safety, particularly a big choice, like with the church, and enough of them church are doing after you're married, them I tell you say you can't get divorced too. So if you are married and you can't get divorced, doesn't it follow then that you must be extra careful that you find out what you need to find out for a big decision like that? So then the church is wrong then for you tell these people that they must blindly. Well, when I use that, I not use that as a metaphor, I'm using it literal. Blindly go into a huge consequential decision that will impact you for the rest of your life. That the church, I tell you, say you can't even reverse out it and things like that. So based on that, I am saying to these church people, do not listen to the church and I'm tell you, say them, you must do so and so. At a minimum, listen to me, at a minimum, feel that penis before you're married to it. At a minimum, check out the instrument, even if you not put it inside and you feel it and think, make sure it can rise. God not kill you for that. When the time comes for you enter the pearly gates, well, I know God is not so shallow that God going to say, nope, you can't come in heaven because you did all one penis. No, God are no idiot. So you must feel it, press upon it, play with it, look upon it, look upon the length, measure it, do them something there. God going to look down upon you and say, yes, my child, you're doing the right thing. You're using the skills and the capacities that I've given it to you. You are utilizing the gifts and the talent that I've given to you and making sure you take care of yourself in the name of the Lord. All right, then, good. No, then what I mean in church, you know, cause go on.
Why, brother, everybody would either have sex. Everybody in that church would have sex right by the time you're done. I would have to go test the water.
What you mean?
Would have to go test the water.
What you mean? With anybody them are married?
Yeah, anybody
nah. No, I am a firm believer.
I'll be a backsliding with a guan in the raga.
No. You gone to the other extreme. That is not what I mean. You know.
But so that's the reason. That's the reason why I couldn't go along with it, because then I didn't know for sure what I was getting into. Because what took me by surprise, is when he said that I was the fourth person. So more or less, the other three them ran away. Them never want get involved in this as they found out who they are getting involved with.
Oh.
So the other three just can't. I must about 4 ring in by already, but why everybody are run from this man, I don't know. And him have money, and I like him. Him have money, him dress well. Something wrong.
No. But if him bring 3 women up there for marry them, and the tree, and him never get for marry the tree woman and them take with themselves, then something I go on this where you did
You
for
know what
no
he
one.
told me? You know what the pastor said to him?
What?
The pastor said to him that, listen, brother, all, I am going to give you, like, him say, him not gonna get us married. Him not gonna do it. But if him not gonna do it, him, 2 reasons him give him, 2 options. He's giving him 2 options.
Well, yeah.
He's giving him 2 options.
2 options, right? Yeah.
He's saying that if one, he would announce it, he would have announced it in the church. That means anybody who probably involved with RC on the side, that would have to end. So it would be out in the open. And the next option he gave me was that wait until, like, dating for 2 years and wait. I know the man said he wait 3 times and tear in my eye and now look at him. Me I say, Lord Jesus, I want to for my life, me I sign it. Oh, just at him to wait and tear 3 times.
No, the pastor know what go on. You see from the pastor say, oh, you don't want to get married? All right, here we go on. This I forgot announcing at the church first, yeah? The pastor, yeah, you're right. The pastor basically know who him a deal with, and the pastor said, the man is liable to have 2 or 3 more women out there, you know, whatever, you know. So, Sister Shelley, you know, we need to put this out there. And I signal the pastor, send a certain signal and say, yo, the man that come with 3 women already, you know, and it never, you know, the woman them take with themselves. So when I want you in that prick, and God, and it's good, so you smart enough to pick it up to and read the play. You understand? Yeah. And that did that work.
Like crazy, because here now him start take back things, you know, cause you make me say the man I call police for me and say me having things in my house. Mind you, you know, I'm live with my auntie, you know. Me have nothing for this man and him just come visit.
Hold on. What did brother Leon take back?
Me know you don't highlight that, you know, Raga.
No, me just meant by him name because you say it one time, man.
So Raga, you know, say when the police them come, I said them have to go in the house because him having things them in there. Raga, me say officer, the man that have nothing in the house, we not live together, live separate. Him say him have things in there. You know, when the man come out one sweater when they let me when me call and him mother picture. The police them turn on and they lock him up. That's why I know say something wrong. Is it them?
No. We understand. No, we understand the mother picture for whatever reason. I mother picture there. Him really take back his sweater when him bring police for take back the sweater when him they gear one time when you did call. You know, she say
my auntie said to him and said, go I'm up where you come from. Hear him, go when I Kingston and no love walk up here. And I said, this is the reason why me never feel it. Whenever everybody asks me, even
first of all, big up the people them from Moko and thing, because them people are some cool people. Cause that's actually a place we a lot of Jamaicans love for whatever reason treat Moko as a symbol of backwardness and underdevelopment, and that is not true. So big up the people them from Moko, but at the same time, you dodge a bullet. You know, you never did for my brother Leon. You know, you never did a move right, and she dodge a bullet with your base pan where we are here right here. So, and to the Church of God of Prophecy.
You know who the man got married now? Can we say a lot of persons that say me lie? But Raga, you know who the man got married now? One 83-year-old just to get paperwork. So.
Leave that alone.
And still I take it from me.
Leave the part there alone. We're not trouble that. We're not go there so cause
something wrong.
No, people do what them have to do and we're not getting involved in that.
One day I come from work and see my hide in the bush.
One day you come from work and see my door? I hide in a bush? Eh?
I come from work and I was at the bus stop. He was at the hotel where I work in the bush, hiding over the other side. I trail me.
Yeah, don't read the chat when you talk to me, yeah? It's going to distract you, yeah? Because people chat be a fart over there too, right? So some of them don't write it themselves either too.
It was a trauma. I was in trauma. That's where my pressure went up. That's where I couldn't get rid of him.
What?
Get rid of
Your pressure go up. Your pressure go up for what? For what?
Yeah, ended up have high blood pressure because of him.
Okay,
because the stalking.
The stalking.
And him come on my apartment.
Yes.
And him quarrel.
Yeah.
And make him pull the door, push him on through the door and come in. And I mean, it was crazy.
Those are depraved behavior and indicative of people who are of disturbed mind and things like that, you know. So if you don't want him, you don't want him. And if you don't want married, you don't want married him. Him can't stalk you and pressure you them way there. And if anybody in the chat don't agree with that, ignore them. Anybody in the chat that beat you at them, Sibula with them name on it and name it, and them a eat that and them no know them a chat and think, and them a kuno for us, see me and thing like that. So if them don't understand you, don't say somebody named Billy say next caller and a pressure you or whatever. Don't play Billy in a mind. Billy must go name Bulla with our name, our theme name on it and all them something there, right? Yeah, see, there's somebody at the chat say, on a disrespectful, loud woman, right, and thing like talk here. If that man sound like him, be terrible. Yeah, you make the right decision.
I made the right decision because after everybody was asking me, so why wouldn't I? He had everything that a woman would have need. But there was just something wrong. I was feeling this heaviness. And I said, no, man, something wrong.
A little energy, you feel something off and thing, and you follow your spirit. And you follow your spirit. Yeah.
And let me tell you, after that was a disaster.
Yeah.
And this is the real demon start come out.
Jesus. You see it? Yeah, because people like that, them not like you know, and them feel like, say, you do them something so them for spite you and get revenge by you or whatever. When all it is, you don't want to be in a relationship with a person, especially man. When woman want left man, you have man who no want, them a start the woman and this and that and want bad up the woman and thing and want.
All over and spread all sort of rumors.
Yeah.
Calling the walking Bible because I be a scripture in speech. And me, I tell you, the man do me, I've never felt like this. I mean, the man get me scared.
Listen to me. May I take some other call, but you have my support here. You feel our vibes. The pastor send a signal to you. You heed the signal, and somebody else pinch you. Because them know what go on with him. And thing, passa did there. 3 other women in our church, the dog I go through the church, him just a reel out the scripture in their ears and I win them over and I tell them all kind of things. And besides, your spirit never did it anyway, because you never like him mouth, you never like him teeth, and you never and you did not get to feel him body to sanctify it and bless it and say this is a body you want to be married to for the rest of your life. So you never like him mind, you didn't like how him dress, you didn't like how him smell and them. But you never like him mind, you never like him mouth, and you never get to assess. Listen, you did not get to do a body assessment, which is very important if you're going to marry somebody, and nobody must make any church telling us say, enough to do a tuning assessment or a body assessment before you make this monumental decision to go marry somebody who you intend to stay with the rest of your life. I never hear nothing fool so yet. And next thing you know, when you go over there now, and next thing you know, the man have one little zit, one little dot. We can't even go through your front door and thing. And them same one I tell you, you're going to have to live with it because marriage.
Wait there and told me.
Yeah, because marriage is this and that, and you have to stay in the rest of your life. And there you are, the rest of your life, and thing, you try to sit down and ride a zit. That can't work. Figure it out before. All right, big up yourself for your blessings here. All right, cool.
I'm a ticket.
No, man, write down your thing, man. Nah, whatever, all right? And listen to me. And brother Leon, she come into Ragabash, and I don't want to see a Ragabash to come to fear.
We're going to book a ticket for next week for God turn over. And I say me for come there 4 days. Raga be a sitting. Him appear something.
When I book a ticket for turn over, I say if I come there and thing. All right, listen to me.
Yeah, next week.
Brother Leon Hall, do not come to Ragabash. You come into Ragabash and you are not invited. Argument done. Okay, cool.
Done right there, Raga.
All right.
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah, Ashelly I come Ragabash, right? What Shakalia say, I am bringing him. Go man. You know. Bella Bay, but she still love that man. Me don't know where you get that from. Bella, where you get that from? She don't love him, man. Me never get that from her. Me never get that from her, Bella. Me don't know how you reach this. So she don't love him, man. Right? She do not love that man. She not hate him, but she not love him either. Right? Ay, God. Yo, people, big up on yourself, you know, but just want to remind you, all right? It is my goal to have thousands of subscribers to my channel over here because I see this as work, as my job, what I enjoy, whatever. So I go support this for me stay here and continue this. We keep it 100, we keep it real. So subscribe if you can. All right? Subscribe if you can. And we also have subscribers live only, right? You know, live for only subscribers. And again, I'm just being straight up and telling you, in those lives, people are going to speak freely, they're going to be blunt, they're going to be raw, and the content is going to be, we're going to explore subjects associated with sex and sexuality. That means we're aware that there's some people who can't manage that, so it's not for okay? And we get it. But you can subscribe and either come or don't come the live because we have regular mix-up in the subscribers only live also. Again, let me say that we're going to have regular mix-ups in the subscribers only live also. But we're going to have other mix-up and thing that is saucy and heavy in nature, okay? Now we do have a sub-live tonight. We have a full show on Friday, a full sub-live multi-hour show this Friday. And it's a go nice because I line up some premium content for you where you have a really, really enjoy, all right? See it? But subscribe to the channel. And the way you subscribe, you see the star with a circle around it, right here over TikTok on my page. That is where you subscribe, all right? Blessings and respect. Big up on yourself. In the meantime, I could go over here, so I'm bringing a couple more people before my leg out tonight. Bomba, that's so much I want there. Jesus, God. What this is somebody? Let me bring in somebody who can cook. This is another person who can cook, you know.
Me a try your turn.
Me? I was talking about somebody. Good night. Who is this?
Hi, Nancy. Hi, ladies. Hi, sisters. Hi.
Why this sound like somebody? Why this sound like somebody for one of the can cook woman them from the ANC?
It's such. Me day was such a good mood, and me can't even make you spoil it. Hi, Raga. How's your evening?
Look, are you in your bushes right now? Because your phone I go in and out. Are you in your bushes at the moment? Are you in the swamp? You're in the Texas swamp? You're in a Texas swamp right now. Oh, you just said yes. You just said yes. Okay, yeah.
For your place, me and that's a minute. Whatever you say, you know I don't contest anything.
Yeah, because we're having some difficulties hearing you, you know. We just get the feeling that you're surrounded by strange animals, a lot of marsh and like lagoon, like, you know, like a bayou and so forth, like a swamp, like, you know. But we will do our best to comprehend what you're uttering today. So, what say you?
Just saying hi.
Okay, hi.
Hi, ladies. Yeah, see you. I'm so happy to see my sisters September 20th. You know, we're going to all be there. Big up yourself, job. You know, the running is on. I am so happy, you know, but I just say hi today.
Yeah, right. And I understand that you two will be from what my sources tell me, I have spies all over. I understand that you are actively involved in what you're gonna decorate your cabana inside that Ragabash. That you're actively involved in the decorating process. There is that true?
You so worried about that. Why you want to know who I decorate for who now? You need to focus over your group or your non-existent group as a matter. Myself, Charm. Hi, Charm, if you're on there tonight. Hi, Charm. Charm's our girl still, But you need to worry about Boa going over there, so don't worry about Boa going over here, so.
You and I were talking just now, and initially the discussion and the exchange was quite civil. And just now, your tone and your attitude seem to have made a turn for the worse, and I'm feeling some sort of tension and negativity and insecurity coming. Are you okay?
That don't work for me. I can't see it.
What?
No, your psychology don't work for me right
What? My what?
Your psychology don't work for me.
No,
Just focus on
hold on. Could you speak a little bit slower? We're having some limitations with your extremely cheap phone. So we're going to ask you, is the type of phone that you can't really talk fast in it? Because whatever architecture is inside of it, it is incapable of processing fast speech based on how cheap it is. So you may want to speak haltingly to facilitate comprehension in the listeners, okay? That's a suggestion with a cheap phone. So you were saying?
Cheap phone. Let me say it again.
Oh, we just never hear you a while ago. You cut out again. Talk again.
Bye, Raga.
No, you get cut out again. No, all people who don't hear our phone are cut out all the while. But we see, true our fault. Our phone are cut out. No, Nakibi.
Yeah.
Nakibi, let me just tell you, yes, your line sister Carleen, and she did full of chat because she said the Cabana Wars is on. That she said, she coined that term there, Me never did kind of, she said the Cabana War is on. Okay, is she said. Now, Liquid say he want a cabana for himself, so I must Liquid on a war with, because if you don't come war with the SDC and thing or whatever, it's a losing war that you not going to come with this. So I just want to know that, okay? So I am hereby referring to you as a conduit, as a messenger, right? I'm suggesting you go back to the ANC and you tell them, based on what you heard from me just now, it is not a good idea for you guys to engage in a Cabana war with us, because you're going to lose miserable. We are going to bust on the ass properly. We are going to go on a proper beating and thing. So save on yourself the embarrassment, save on yourself the ridicule, and don't bother come challenge the champion over here, all right?
Champion of what? Losing?
No, go compete with Liquid.
No,
right?
the champion are losing, so we can't compare ourselves with the champion are losing, or not always a lose. So, I mean, the evidence is there for itself.
No,
Don't
right now, you're not going to lose just like how the phone I lose right now. Just like how your phone I lose right now.
Don't worry about my phone. My
Yeah.
phone have nothing to do with this. Your fret, your boots up on a non-existent group over there. The only two people. You want Sham alone over there. Poor Sham. But okay, whatever.
Get that phone cut out again, poor thing. I saw them get a beating in the phone cut out again. Lastly, me know say what you really come here for, Me know what you really come here for to them make you call in, Me know what you come here for, don't you and me know, don't. You come you come for beg a recipe, don't.
Recipe from somebody who can cook themselves. More than brave, but
no, but no. You ever hear me I say me can't cook, you hear me always say me can't cook good and whatever.
But
right?
somebody who can't cook good, they always point out other people can't cook. When you worry about other people can't cook for with their recipe cooking self.
No, all I'm saying is Taki got truth. You know do like Christine and thing. You know fry time too, don't it? You fry time too, don't?
You know what? I did not call in to discuss anything about cooking. I was having a great moment today, and I was just saying hi.
People, you see what she just do? Want to learn. Hold on. You see, as soon as me bring up Christina Friday time, what she did was a distraction. She did an evasive maneuver. She said, I did not call in to talk about cooking. All right, listen to our response to the following question now, people. And uno reach your own conclusion. Listen to our response to the following question. All right, no. Talk the truth. No. Talk the truth where God love. Talk the truth where God love and think. When you did a listen and you hear your line sister, Christina Brown Sugar, CBS say, she fry time. Me know you're not going to say it. You're afraid to say it in a public and thing, but in the privacy of your own space, you never say, Jesus, God, Christina, why you do that? Answer.
I want to say that, you know what? I can cook, but learn how to, right?
When I hear nothing though.
My husband, right? You know, say him had, so if you are cook your food and you cook up your seasoning and all of that and it's burning, that means say you just can't cook, period. Your seasoning not supposed to burn. You're supposed to saute, all of that, your onion and all of them stuff there. So if you are putting stuff and it a burn up, that means say you cannot cook.
All right. Your phone, did I do it where your phone do? Because it's cheap. But
hold on. Can you hear me? Can you hear me better?
We're hearing you a little better now. You're a little bit on the high-pitched squealy side, but we will work with it. And but if I'm not mistaken, you just now said that is your husband do the cooking in your house. I mean, you've said that before. You're on record for that. That's what you just said, right?
What is wrong if my husband loves me?
Me never ask you if something wrong. Me never ask you if something wrong with it. You deflect again. Me ask you. You just say, is your husband do the cooking in your house? Now that you just say.
We both cook, sir. I said I learned from my husband too.
Okay. Who do most of the cooking in your house? I'll wait. At
this moment, it's me.
You never answer the question. I said, who overall do most of the cooking in your house?
That was not the question that you asked earlier.
Because you try to amend it.
At this moment, me.
All right, since uno day, who do most of the cooking in your house? What you already say on record, who do most of the cooking in your house?
Since we're there, my husband.
Your husband, okay. I said that with a laughter, okay. All right. I asked you a question a while ago. Hold on. No, I asked you a question a while ago. You don't answer the question. You end up start explaining one bag of thing, but what you do season. I ask you a simple question, right? What was your reaction when you hear your line sister say she fry time?
There's nothing wrong with it because your time should not be burning, Raga. That's the whole thing. You put in all of your seasoning them. Nothing is wrong with it. It's just your preference. Again, if it's burning, you cannot cook.
So in other words, you agree with your line sister say when she says she fry the time, the same time when she fry the onion and the garlic, don't it?
But first of all, I know where you get frying from? Yeah, go like that chicken you fry.
You still not answer you still not answer. You still not answer the question.
The onion and all of them
you still don't answer the question.
But me not gonna answer something when I know so it's supposed to go. And you're not supposed to fry as you say time.
All right. So when she put in the onion and the garlic, what Jamaicans do, then put in that first. And she says she put in the time and that. You agree with that, right?
Of course, I agree with that because it's based on preference. And if your seasoning a bun up, you cannot cook. My husband teach me that you ask any chef, you ask anybody. Slow cooking is the best. So if your things them a bun up, you cannot cook because high flames don't cook food.
People, earlier on, you heard me made a statement. Earlier on in the show, I made a statement that the whole of them, all of them in the ANC, the whole of them are time fryer. You hear me say that, don't you? And after much back and forth with me and her a while ago, she basically said, yes, she's a time fryer too, right? So on the sister and a lie me I tell people, on the sister me and a lie me I tell, she try to avoid it. We fight, we go back and forth a while ago, back and forth, but by her own utterances, on the ear she confirm it. The whole of them a time fryer. Munchie a time fryer, Naki a time fryer, Antasha a time fryer, CBS a time fryer, Chrissy a time fryer, Joan Ligora a time fryer, the Merlin Fid a time fryer, Milo a time fryer, Empress Aija, the whole of the ANC woman them a time fryer. Them fry time, she just admitted it. Argument done.
Uh-huh. Whatever you want to say, but hey, me learn from the best, right? That's it.
No,
Me learn from the best.
Hold on, for the record.
I'm if you ask the professional chef.
No, hold on.
Tarsha.
Me just want you know. Me just want you know. Me just for the record.
Can't cook. That's why.
For the record, me know say this may not mean nothing to you, but we're just putting it out there. Charm don't fry time, right? Marsha Prashad no fry time. Okay, we just want you to know. Miss Cutie no fry time, right? Tall her no fry time. None of the SDC woman them no fry time. Not even Dog Bite who just, come in at the SDC and whatever. None of we just want you to know. Not even Raga who can cook would have ever fry time. You're a time fryer.
Yeah, you can't.
Time fryer.
Like, if you
fryer.
know, me not busy what you want to say.
Time fryer. Yeah.
Okay.
Time fryer. Listen, we are offering to put Squeaky in our crew, so on a text Squeaky.
We look like we are begging anything over here.
We have something against Squeaky?
We look like
you have something against
we shout at people?
No, well, you have something against Squeaky?
We only select the best, okay? And we're not short of anybody.
So what are you saying about Squeaky? What you ask about Squeaky then? Yeah, we leave that. All right, see. Okay. Anyway, big up yourself. I want to say big respect to the ANC. We look forward to a devastation and a decimation at Ragabash. We want to see our Cabana or the thing turn up and all these things. And me just suggest to don't make the jealousy and the bad mind kick in when at the end of the day we are one family same way. Free for ball. We allow you for ball. You can ball in a depression when you lose and things like that. And when the bad mind kick in, we just ask you to just kind of check that and just get over it and just come beg. We look at friendship when you come over our Cabana and think we will see what we can do for you. And Sham, for our Cabana. Remind me to bring some bulla and some Milo and some jackass can for them and thing and whatever, So look at syrup and something for them and whatever when them come home and thing, and because we want to treat our guests and give them what them used to. And that used to, so we're going to keep some of that food.
Well, if nothing wrong with the bulla, that's why we always win, because we eat the real bulla and them sitting from Jamaica from back in the day, so nothing wrong with syrup and nothing wrong with bulla, yeah?
I'm glad you said that. Because I bet you say all of the bulla what you just admit so on eat from Jamaica. I bet you say the whole of the bulla them want to eat. On the name they depend on the bulla them, don't?
So yes, we don't know to read. I can't put it.
Yeah, on the name bulla with the name pan it. No one now make people turn on and eat that. You go name bulla with the name pan it. See the people set the bulla phone with the name pan it. On the name pan and still gonna name the bulla with the name pan it. I watch you now. Turn the whole out in an idiot. The whole out in an idiot.
You don't worry about that. And again, big up yourself, Sham, but poor Sham. But Raga, you know, say you're brave though. You always a talk about SDC this. I don't know always a lose. So me don't know where you're brave bad. Me not tell no lie. You're brave. But you know, go team, I guess.
What
Yeah,
I
you
need,
know.
what I need to do is get some turn back Obia for the bullet Obia we reach you know here. That you need to do. See?
We black and clear anything out of ever come our way. I mean, we're naturally
But look on the brighter side, right? Let's use Munchie for example. The Obia where them put pan Munchie is a add ear Obia. From Munchie eat the bull and Munchie a put in ear and can't take out the ear right now. All our neck are pain and right now the amount of ear where they pan Munchie head. You can't help her and tell us Munchie if you take out some of the ear now, you know so much you have in your head right now. You can't do some of your
Why you always worry about what going over yourself? You
anyway,
always worry and preoccupy yourself with what's going on over here.
Listen, love and blessings. We're going to meet up at Ragabash here.
All right, see you there. Bye, guys. Bye, sisters. Bye, TamFam. Have a good one.
All right, Naki B. Love and blessings, man. Cool.
Okay, cool. Okay.
People, when you're in a lyrical war, you have to make up some things on the spot. You have to make up some things by the spot, you know, this is our thing there, you know. We don't have no line, but we always use, you know. Yeah, right in at the moment, we create what we create, don't I make them know what go on. Dog bite, big up yourself, you know, anyway, you're there, you know, my G. All right, proper respect. Me take a couple more things and go down the line here before me leave and thing, all right?
Hi, Raga.
Hey, what's up?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. My God, I didn't even see that. You know, me go sing something because I mean, me like tap the what you call that, the top of the screen.
Yeah.
And it seems like I tap it, but I can't come up with that song.
You're going to sing it for who? You're going to sing it for who? Who you going to sing it for?
Oh wow.
Huh? Who you going to sing the song for?
Well, me not really. We're gonna sing for ex, my ex.
You're going to sing for your ex?
I don't think I have any ex because anything behind me gone. But
then your ex
gone.
Song
would have fit in.
Fit in. That song you fit for what I go on with your ex. All right, make we hear
it. Again, opportunist, you lose me. Last time you are gonna use me. Right now, myself come first. Right now, myself come first. You can't call me Mrs. Selfish. The most of things me go through and me dealt with. Myself come first. Right now, myself come first.
No, man, that was good. Yeah, look out for you now because the opportunists did use you and all them things there and whatever. And what your ex did name? Dog Bite?
No. Oh my God.
I joke me then I remember.
No, we can't say it, man.
No, don't say it. No, me just say that one. No, man, me just say that make sure I'm a dog bite, you know. All right, big up yourself for that one day, yeah?
No.
Eh?
No, yes, thanks.
What that?
No, I'm saying yes, thanks.
Oh, okay. You may say no.
No, and I don't miss him. Somebody text in the comments that she miss him. But I don't know if I meet the person I talk, but
no,
baby,
no, man.
Many years ago.
No. Tap to no. No. Don't respond to the chat. Oh. Do not. No, man. Do not. Me tell you, no. Don't. Okay. People, you see, she tap to your Terry. She are one of them. She just make pure provocative posts. So them just make trouble. So don't respond to the chat, right? See the laugh sign there. Yeah, people in the chat are just them do them something there. All right. So don't worry yourself. Big up yourself here. Blessings here.
All right. Yes, thanks.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings, man. Cool. Nice song. I love it. Mm-hmm. All right. People want to call in and just stop read the chat and think I have people in the chat just enjoy making trouble. And I feel them enjoy that, you know, so you can't take that from them. And think, see, whenever I respond to everything, you know. Hello. Sure. We did ever get some good sleep a while ago. The phone will come in and go pop. We're going deep now. Come up. We soon go back and watch now. We soon. No. Patient. Gone deep. We're going deep. Yeah, we're going deep. You have to know when we're going deep. It's serious. Focus. We're still deep. Yeah, we're still deep. Weird on we're going now, you know. Come on back, look a bit. Yeah. Oh, yes. All right, we can't leave her now. Yeah, we gone down now, you know. All right. Can't let go now. Okay. We're up, we're coming back. Okay, that's it. Let's go. We're up. We're definitely up now. Yeah, we're up. Yep, we're up. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we can leave now. Yeah, we're definitely up the top now. We're staying up there. So, yeah, the submarine is up. Yeah, up there somewhere there. Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh God, yes. Okay, we can leave now. Hello.
It's me again, Raga.
Who this?
So, me sing out my throat hole 2 tune.
Oh, but you know, say, me did want bring, me don't know how it bring you up back and think, I have people who never get in, you know.
No, me sorry, but me did want to know about my ticket. Because that's the only reason why me come on the chat. I have to sing for the ticket.
No, where you did sing?
Run come up in my magnum.
No, but you did. I thought you were just doing it because it's one of the topic for the show.
No, you said we can win ticket if you sing. That's the only
You know what I'm saying? You never did say it to me.
Oh,
remember
people.
People.
It work, you know, so forgive me.
Yeah, you know, so people call in and just, you know, them respond to what the topic is, you know. So that was it. Okay, so me just think so you just I think so. Yeah, so you want a ticket, right?
That would be nice.
All right, so me I go have your name down, yeah? Because when people you have people who buy tickets to give away, so when that happens, so me link you, yeah?
All right, my darling.
All right, my sweet. You take care. All right, then cool. People, I'm going to leave it this, you know, big up on yourself, you know. All right. I'm going to leave it this, all right. So, in I morrows and thing, you know, don't know, 6 o'clock, we're there, see you tomorrow, see? All right, yeah, them take care of yourself. This was a nice looking evening and thing. It was fun this evening, all right. Enough blessings, man. So, you don't know tomorrow and thing. I remember when you don't look out for no notification for come over, you just forward at 6 o'clock and come a Ragashanti on Tik Tok and you know some day and things. Saying blessings and respect, man. Big up the SDC, big up the ANC, big up everybody, you know, big up Kimberly, chicken porridge and thing. Large upon yourself, everything is everything, all right? Straight blessing and thing. Subscribe to the channel. Yo, big up yourself, Tab. No say a word, man. All right, protection and honor. Seeing the whole on and thing. All right, Nisi and thing. Puggings, Baby Lips, G7, Ma6, Nikki, Andre, Sheena Black, The Boss Squeaky, Rooty, Chumpy, Daniel, Cheryl Bless, Curvy Queens, Good as Chassin, Fire Parties, Skins, Nisi V, Starboy, of course, Real General, and I think, Tasha Tash, Pam 647, Kalia, CBS, Sweet Charm, Marie G, the whole of Del Marine, Doreen Harrison, Sweet Lips, Nanida, Kalia, Gal, something like so, Cheryl Jonas, and thing, Tracy back up and thing, Ash the whole on Alistair. All right, Valerie, good night. Royal Nisha, spiritually best ever there. And thing, seeing the jugglings and thing, Cassandra. All right, CM6 Friday. Yeah, man, Friday is a subscriber live only, so sub live only. So Friday it's only a live for subscribers and thing Friday. So Friday it might be at a little later than 6, you know. But it's going to be between 6 and 7, you know. All right. Seeing blessings, man. Miss Punky, Kavian, the whole works, and Washington. God bless you. Kalia, of course, Kavin, everybody, man, all right? Charmin Green, Jamaica Queen, all I want to big up on yourself, see? All right, and I'm Morris. Blessings.